We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Hope all is well. Listen, I know the crypto market has been on fire this week. As predicted, Ethereum did the knock knock boom on schedule. It was a beautiful thing. Listen, join me. I'm going to drop the link to the Zoom. If you want to play the entries and exit show, you can jump on. If you don't know what that is, basically, you will come on and we will trade cryptocurrencies live. If you haven't seen it before, jump on the show. I'm going to pin the link right now for you guys. Let's make it happen. Lena's right on schedule. What's up, Lena? What's up? Let's rock and roll. Let's go. Let me drop this link so you guys can jump on with me. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. Tonight is the night. What's up, Ruben? What's up, Sophie? Alex, Fred, Mark. What's up? Misfits in the building. What's up, guys? You guys are always, I love it. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. All right, the link is dropped there. Done, done, done. Okay, done, done. Oh, I got someone attacking me on Twitter right now. I love it. I'm gonna come at him later, not right now. Okay, I'm done with that. Next, I gotta post the link on the live right now. Let's post live. Join me on live. Let's go. Drop the Zoom. What the freak? Why aren't you pasting? Okay, that's weird. Let's try that again. Why are you not pasting? Guys, what's going on? I see everybody. Listen, you see Lucid? Of course I saw Lucid. Go back, watch the live. I told you guys about Lucid. Someone called Julian. Someone get Julian on the live right now. I'm trying to get the Zoom link to bring you guys on. It's okay, Sophie. It's cool. He's attacking me saying how much I'm charging for my courses or something. I'm about to tell him later. My course is free. You know those people that attack people for charging for courses? I'm like, my course is free. So it's a beautiful thing when someone comes at you because they think the only way you make money is from courses. When I'm like, my course is free. So I love it because I was supporting Ty Lopez. I really like him lately. I never really was into him. All right, bro. Let me get the link so I can get. Come on. Let me get the link. Copy. Okay, cool. That's the Zoom link. Let's go to YouTube. Drop it right there. See, this is what I hate the iPhone. I really hate the iPhone because I don't know how to use the iPhone. Boom. Got it. Pinned a message. All right, I am done. We are done. All right, let's go, guys. So cryptocurrencies, Doge, freaking Shiba. Listen, a lot of people message me saying, Professor, I don't invest in it. I'm trading it. Boom, boom, boom. So you know what? Let's do it. We did the entries and exit show for stocks. I don't think we've ever, and I'm pretty sure we haven't. Yeah. We've never done it for cryptocurrencies. So let's do it for cryptocurrencies. Guys, drop me V. What's up, V? Good to see you. So Kyle, what's up? What's up, Davis? Boom, 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 boom. Thank you guys for showing up. I love it. I appreciate the support as always. Thank you. So if you want to jump on the entries and exit show, jump on, request me. Let's make it happen. Jump on the Zoom. Come on mute, please, and just turn on the video whenever you're ready. But let's go. Let's trade currencies, cryptocurrencies. Let's go. So how many of you have Ethereum? How many of you drop it in the comment section? What do you guys have? Who has Bitcoin? Who has Ethereum? Give me all the coins you guys have. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everyone's watching this Ethereum to the moon. Let's go to, where are you, crypto? Can you guys see it? Let me zoom out a little bit. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let's zoom out. Boom. I think that's good. That's good. Okay. All right, here we go. As scheduled, how many of you saw the knock knock boom? I'm on the daily chart. Yes. The knock knock boom happened on Ethereum. Again, you can go watch the live. This was all predicted. Fred says he has both. I was early Shiba investor. Yo, Fred, jump on the live then, baby boy. Jump on the live. Let's live trade it. Let's live trade Shiba. Let's live trade Doge. Whatever you guys want. We will get it going. Biru has algo. Okay, cool. That's a good point. Shiba is booming. Yeah, let's pull up Shiba. Speaking of Shiba, let's pull it up. Because I know it had a slight pullback, but it was like nothing for it. It was like nothing. 2 hour. Here we go. Boom. Here it is right here. So let's make some of the, wait, should I make it now or should I make it when people jump on? You know what? I can clean it out. I can clean it out. So we're looking at Shiba right now. It had a pullback right here. Let's get rid of some of these. What do we got? Let's get rid of the indicators for a second. All right, let's chart this out. So it fell pretty hard. What day was this? The 28th. Was that yesterday? It fell pretty hard yesterday because Elon said something regarding cryptocurrencies. That's what it is. That's what it is. There you go. All right, let me take some of these questions. I see they're already coming in. Shiba and Floki and Hex and Bit and ETH. I love it, Becky. Becky's in Shiba and Floki. I heard about it. Am I saying it right? Floki? Am I saying it right? You know what it is? My thing is, it's crazy to buy them. It's so annoying. It's crazy to buy them. I have 70% invested in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Then I have ADA, BNB, Sol, DOT, Uni, Matic. Nice, Ruben. What a good collection of coins right there. Nice. Scala, Shiba on the 30 minutes. Okay, I'll look at it. Professor, how do you trade crypto with the annoying 100-point spread? Baby boy, Saint, trade it using Coinbase Pro. Trade it using Coinbase Pro. Boom. I don't trade cryptocurrencies, but I know how to trade cryptocurrencies. The volume on the daily on Shiba is insane. It is beyond insane. I was looking at that as well. It's crazy. It could overthrow Doge with enough of the volatility and enough of the hype and the meme around this. It could overthrow it. Who says it can't? 100% can. It could be that's what people want it to be. The next Doge where it knocks out zero after zero. How many zeros we got right now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Who says that we can't overthrow 5? And then the 4, and then the 2, and then the 3. And then we'll be looking at another Doge contender over here. All right, let's keep it going. Where's the resistance on this bad boy? We got 88.70 over here. There we go. How's it looking? It fell. It fell pretty hard, actually. It fell pretty hard. Let's see. I'm going to ask a question. I'm going to ask a question right now. If you look at Shiba on the daily chart, sorry, is it the daily? No, sorry, 2-hour chart. Which way is it trending? Tell me. As I answer some questions, you guys tell me. And again, I know this thing has a sick, I think it has like a 30-second delay. I tried to figure it out. I went into the settings and I said 0 delay because it has it. 30-second delay, 1 minute delay. I put 0 delay, none, but I don't know. God bless YouTube. All right, let's keep it going with these questions. V has Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Link, DOT, Dogecoin. Okay, cool. He said he didn't own Shiba. Yeah, I don't own any Shiba. Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, Elon said that. Correct. Shiba's market cap is already higher than Doge. Yeah, but Ruben, when it comes to the meme factor, it's insane. I'm not telling y'all to invest in it, but if you have 100, 500, 1,000 lying around and just want to leave it in there, who says you can't? Who says you can't? If it's not a big deal to you, who says you can't drop 1,000 in each of these little coins so you don't have FOMO? Here's the thing, again, going to psychology, right? Mindset when it comes to a trader. Who says you can't just drop a little bit into something? For example, I was telling my seminar students the other day, because it just ended for October. I said, listen, for those of you that want to swing trade, but don't have the conviction or the trust in yourself, wait for the stage ones, buy 1 share. Even as a swing trade, buy 1 share of the stock. And as it goes up to the next level of resistance, if you want, sell at whatever level you're comfortable with. Do that to build up your trust on it. Boom. There's nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. All of us live in this reality. It's funny. Our community lives in a sort of a bubble. Because when you tell people about what we know, they think it's, of course, it's a scam. It's not real. That's insane. That doesn't make any sense. They don't believe it. All of that nonsense. But we're living proof of it. My videos are living proof of what I said about Ethereum. It did the knock, knock, boom. It blast past it. And let me tell you, God damn, it feels good. God damn. You guys already know I'm all in. I'm all in. I love it. Okay. What's up, Professor? I'm a Shiba there. So something. Take the seminar. I love it, Aubrey. Aubrey, jump on the live. Let's trade crypto. Wait, I just heard somebody. Who's on this right now? Who's that?
Fred.
The hell is Fred? Oh, Fred, you jumped on it. What's up, Fred?
What's going on?
Fred, turn on the video.
I was waiting for you to say that. I didn't want to.
I'm sorry. Jump on. Let me do gallery mode. Wow, finally, my brother. Welcome to. First of all, before you even talk, guys, this is Fred, by the way. He'll introduce himself in a second. But here's the thing. This man is so loyal. It's crazy. He came from Mr. Peters on my IG. When my IG got lost, he jumped onto the Twitter. Now from the Twitter, he's onto the YouTube. He told his friends about me. His friend Aubrey's awesome. Aubrey, by the way, jump on the live too, baby boy. Jump on. I sent the link. Jump on. If you're driving, don't jump on. So, Fred, tell us about you. Where you coming in from? I said your name already, but where you coming in from? What do you do? What are you doing here?
I'm around your way. I'm in New York.
Nice. Where in New York?
I'm in Yonkers.
Oh, okay. Got you.
The rough part of New York.
Keep going.
Yeah. Yeah, I found you on Mr. Peters. This was in the beginning. I didn't even understand charts. I didn't understand anything. I just started seeing.
You say beginning. When beginning?
I mean, not the big. I was saying beginning for me when it's the beginning for me because I didn't understand nothing I was looking at.
Okay.
So watching Mr. Peters gave me a good understanding. Me and Aubrey started doing this so-called quote unquote investing thing. We didn't know what the hell we was doing. But we bumped into Mr. Peters and he gave us a clear understanding. And then from there we found you. And then you give us a different aspect. Mr. Peters shows us how to swing. You showing us how to trade daily, and we're just putting things together. But as far as Shiba, I got into Shiba in April.
April, okay. How much? April. Let's try. Let me get April on the board. How much was it in April, Fred?
It had 5 zeros and either a 3 or a 4.
Okay, hold on. Again, Aubrey, if you're listening, jump on, baby boy. Can you remember?
You need to jump on because I'm the one that told Aubrey about Shiba.
And you told Aubrey about me. He took the seminar before you.
Before me.
I was laughing. I'm like, what are you doing here without Fred? Because I know you were supposed to come too, but he said something happened. I said, okay, cool. All right, April. Let's go to April. Let's jump. Go to April.
Yeah, I'm here.
What did you say, Fred? You broke up.
I'm here.
Okay. April. Let's just do April first. Jump to April first. Cool. Okay. Where are you? April 1st? Okay, cool. It says the last bar available. What the freak? Oh, because I'm on Coinbase or something? Is that why? May. It's only going up to May. Okay, cool. All right. So you bought it all the way over there. Cool. Came out, dipped, and now it's just going to the moon. All right. How many of these Shiba did you buy, Fred?
I got 217 million.
Wait, no. Don't give me that number. Don't give me that number. Give me the dollars.
Oh, the dollar amount? Oh, I only put 1,000 on there.
1,000.
Because at the time when and the only reason why I put 1,000 is because at the time when we got in, we was paying so much in gas fees just to get the coin. I was like, I don't want to pay all this. That could be a couple of more millions coins. So I paid about 200 and something in gas fees just to get the coin.
$200.
Yeah, just to get the coin. Right now,
1,200.
Say that again.
You paid total 1,200, Fred.
Yeah, roughly about 1,200.
Okay.
Right now, these new investors is jumping in. They got it so easy. They just buy it with no fees, no nothing. I'm like, damn.
Wait, I thought you had to pay gas fees.
Not now, no, because every exchange is listing them.
Oh yeah, Robinhood got it now.
When I got in, they wasn't listed nowhere.
Wait, here's the question. See, this is why I like you early guys that get in early. How did you hear about Shiba in the beginning? What was it about it that appealed to you?
I discovered Shiba when Doge had a little run up. back then. Doge had run up, and I was
Were
just
you
on
in Doge?
Twitter. No.
Oh, okay.
I got in Doge afterwards. I got in Doge at 5 cents when they were 5 cents.
Okay.
So I got on Twitter, and I was just at nighttime. It was about late night. I got on Twitter and I was just scrolling, bored, and I seen somebody post something about Shiba. So I was like, oh shit, there's another coin that looks like Doge. So I started reading.
What was it that got your attention, Fred? You said they posted something. Do you remember?
Yeah, well, I just said it. I said that the coin looked just like Doge.
That's it. That's all you need.
That caught my the dog. That's what caught my attention. And then I read up on it and I seen everything that they had going on. I was like, oh, this kind of sounds, it sounds good what they doing. That's when they was trying to invest into like India and doing all this other stuff for people. So I was like, and then I text Aubrey and I was like, yo, Aubrey, this is gonna be the next Doge. He was like, what are you talking about? I sent him to Shiba. He was like, all right, fuck it.
As somebody watching from the seminar, students, can someone message Aubrey, please, and tell him to jump on?
I just texted.
Oh, you did? He's watching the show right now. I see him in the comment section. Aubrey, jump on. I keep going, Fred.
So I texted him and I was like, yo, this is gonna be the next Doge. He was like, all right, so let's buy. So what I did was at the time I had, there you go. He was like,
there he is. Okay, boys. All right, before we start, all right, now you guys got me super hyped. So wait, can you both?
I just texted.
Aubrey, you have to mute me on YouTube, my brother. You gotta mute me.
I shut it down. I'm here.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, Aubrey, thank you for jumping on. Before we do introductions and anything, can you boys stay on with the entries and exit crypto trading? You want to do Shiba?
I can't trade Shiba because it's on my trust wallet.
No. Let's just do it to teach and to learn with me.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah. All right, cool. So done. All right, guys. So if you're watching, nobody jump on now. This is it. These two will stay on. We're gonna trade. We're gonna talk. And I love that I got these two because they're into the Shiba. They're into the Doge. They're into that world.
Early.
I'm not
early.
Shiba Army. Professor, can I tell you a quick story?
Go ahead before you tell me the story. Hold on. I'm too hyped right now. Too hyped. Hold on. Don't tell me the story. I love it. I'm too hyped that you both are on. So these two are like, again, just for full transparency, I don't have any Shiba. I never bought Shiba. I never bought Doge. My entire fortune is in Ethereum. Everything, my entire life future is in this coin. I've been preaching, again, all the recordings are there. Well, not right now because my IG's down, but all the recordings are there. I was telling people to get into this at $300-400. So boom, just keep this in mind. So, and the knock boom happened. We're in the 4400s. It's looking very nice right now. So now, just to get that out of the way, that's me. But if you do want to trade cryptocurrencies, and I'll be honest, Shiba and Doge are lovely to trade. For those of you that don't have the schedule to trade stocks because of the time frame, work, whatever, and you want to be able to make a consistent check trading it with Coinbase Pro, low fees, by the way. I don't work for Coinbase. I'm just saying Coinbase Pro. You can trade it. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. So now, boys, let's get back into the story. Aubrey, you've never been on the show, right?
No, I watch it, but this is my first time actually being. Well, I actually was on it, but I was driving.
Yeah, and I kicked you. Yeah. So introduce yourself before you talk, so people know who you are. Go.
All right, my name is Aubrey. I am a student, alumni of the Professor October class, and I'm from New York. I got involved with Shiba around April, along with Fred. I've been dealing with cryptocurrency since about 2017. And my story is, it's crazy. I'm ashamed to say it, because you see how you love Ethereum so much. I was actually mining Ethereum when it was around $100 to $200. And I was
got one of those mining thingies?
Yeah, I got a computer. I had like 8 graphics cards. I was making about $10 a day. Okay. And at the time, $10 a day at, Ethereum being $110 to $200. Now look at the price where it's at now. But unfortunately, I was making like $70 a week, $280 for the month, but I would spend it. I was looking at it like, oh, free money, and I would spend it. But now I'm like, damn, if I would have just held on to it, the gains would have been ridiculous.
100%.
Ridiculous. But now I still kind of got like the paper hands. Fred would tell you, I sold about $900 worth of Shiba before it took off recently.
Where Where did you sell it, Fred?
I sold it on September 11th. September 11th.
9/11. 9/11.
Can you tell me why you did that? Is there any particular reason?
Because it was consolidated so long, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna sell it and I'm gonna rebuy it, and that opportunity is long gone now.
Okay, let me see if you did the right thing, because it's okay. No one can predict the future. So let me see where September 11. Boom, got it. Okay.
Look at the chart. Look to your right.
I'm looking at it. It's on a state. By the way, Aubrey, so are you also a student of Mr. Peters?
Yeah, I follow Gerald Peters as well. I also purchase his books as well.
It was a stage 1 though. So now tell me why you exited, because it is on a stage 1. This is what by the way, guys, if you don't know what the hell I'm about to say, let me explain what I'm about to say. Because this is something that you need to understand. Here we go. I love it, guys. You literally made my night. I appreciate you boys jumping on. It means the world to me. All right, let's go. So let me just break down what stage 1 is, and then I'll tell you why, if Aubrey made the right or wrong decision. But again, profits is profit. So boom. Here we go. So when a stock or cryptocurrencies, doesn't matter, when it goes sideways, it's called consolidation, or also a stage 1. This is where usually hedge funds, institutions start accumulating shares. I'm using stocks just as a reference, but again, crypto saying they start getting it at the cheapest price. And then what happens is, when this event takes place, the break of resistance, again, it went up and then it came right back down, did something called a sidestep green candle. That's your entry to get into the stock now that it's on a stage 2. So what's a stage 2? Stage 2 is when a stock goes on a but it goes on an uptrend. Uptrend, or called a stage 2. And then it should consolidate like this, called stage 3, and collapse. But again, these type of coins or stocks that are like meme related, the rules are completely altered. They live in a alternate reality. Fred, Aubrey, agree or disagree?
Look at this, Professor. Yeah. Can you see that?
Hold on, let me go there because I have a delay too. Okay, what am I looking at?
That's the $900 I sold. That's what it's now worth.
So wait, you sold your Shiba for 900, but it would have been 7,200.
Yeah, I still have Shiba.
But that's what it would have been.
I sold 900, just like, let me just take 900 out and I'll rebuy it later. And now it's worth $7,000.
Damn. What was your initial investment?
My initial investment, Fred, help me out. I got a little bit more than you, right?
Yeah, around the same time, around the same price as mine. He probably paid probably like 100 or 2 more because he got more.
Yeah, so you both were early. You both paid around $1,000, and yours would have been from 1,000 to 7,000.
Just $900, but I still have Shiba.
No, I know. I'm just thinking if you didn't sell, it would have been 7. So wow, bro, that's impressive.
It would have been 7,000 on top of what I still have.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And I read the article about the guy who got in early, who bought what was it? 5,000, 7,
8,000. A guy bought 8,000. It's worth like 4.5 billion or something like that. It's crazy.
I was reading the article and I was doing the math in my head, and I'm going, hold on a second. If that man sells, he will destroy the entire Shiba. you boys know that if this man sells, Shiba's done. That's number 1. Number 2, under the Biden new tax plan, that whenever that comes out, this man is a billionaire and he owes a fortune in taxes.
But if he doesn't sell, he doesn't.
No, unrealized capital gains, Aubrey.
That's not going to pass. There's no way.
Oh, let's see.
No way.
Let's see. That I don't know. But let's see what happens. I only know what I know, but that I don't know. But I'm just saying, I don't want to be that guy.
Yeah. No, everybody who has Shiba and they got it early, they understand that they have a duty not to dump because they would destroy the community, Oh. But everybody who knows it, they know you got to do it little by little. You can't dump.
Hey, Professor.
Who's talking?
Fred.
Oh, Fred. Sorry, Fred.
So can I finish my story, or you go?
Yeah, finish. My bad, because you sound a lot like one of my students, Sebastian. So I got confused because I'm looking at you through YouTube and I got a delay on there, so that's why. But listen, I love what you typed in. Shiba. Tell the story. Go.
That's my name on Twitter. So
I know it is.
So what I was gonna say, where I was at the beginning stage. Oh, so I had got that 1,000 that I invested into Shiba. I sold Bitcoin to jump into Shiba.
How much Bitcoin did you sell?
That's what I had. Whatever I had there, whatever I invested into Shiba, that's what I sold to get Shiba from Bitcoin. Bitcoin was about, I don't know. Pull up the chart. Where was Bitcoin at in April?
Let's go. BTC, are you here, BTC? There we go. BTC. All right, April of this year, right, Fred?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it. April. Let's just do April 1st. It was at the high. Oh, it was in the 60s. That's when I bought my motorcycle and I sold. That's when I sold my BTC to buy the motorcycle. People made fun of me because it was overextended.
Yeah. So that's what I did. I sold the Bitcoin, and then I jumped into Shiba. And when I tell you, Arby every day was like, I'm about to sell the Shiba. I'm like, nah, hold it. Every day we fighting about him holding and selling and holding and selling. And
I got paper hands. I gotta tell you.
No, but boys, this is the question. So first of all, I don't blame you at all, Aubrey. You didn't have paper hands. You didn't understand the charts. Stop blaming yourself. You didn't understand the charts because here's the thing, right? Let me break it down. I'm back on Shiba again because the conversation is Shiba, and then we'll look. By the way, we could also look at Doge too. So we got Shiba. Come on.
But Professor, I didn't understand the charts either. I just knew the story behind it, and I was like, no, we got to hold on to this because if Doge went crazy for no reason, this is gonna go even crazier because this has a reason.
Correct.
I actually had Doge before it was even a penny. I sold at 8 cents. I regret it.
So wait, we're gonna talk about that too. But let's do the Shiba. But I want to talk. Yo, I love that you guys are the best guests for this. Yeah. All right, let's go. So let's break it down now, right? As you see, Shiba came out, got pumped, came crumbling down, and this is what you want in a stock or a crypto coin. You want it to fall and then start going sideways. Again, stage one. As it goes, this is when you want to hold on and you don't let go. If anything, buy a little bit more. Again, I don't swing trade. I just buy Ethereum between 15 to 30,000 a month constantly. That's just it for my school. And then you wait again for this, and then boom. So now the question is, when do you get back in? Wait for the consolidation, break of resistance. There's usually, not always, but usually something called a sidestep green. It happened here. It happened here. That's when you get back in, and then you ride the wave. So now Shiba's exploding all over again. So now, again, for people asking, Professor, when do I get back in? So let it come. If it comes down a little bit, if you want the best entry, but again, if this is like something you're going to say it's going to go to 1 penny, then doesn't matter, bro. Buy it whenever. But 57.30. If it holds there, keep it. If it breaks it, get the hell out of there. Continue, boys.
But what I would want to say is buy the rumor, sell the news, right?
Wait, say that again.
Isn't it buy the rumor, sell the news?
Forget. I don't even listen to that.
No. I'm only saying that because there's a lot of good news coming out for Shiba. AMC is about to start accepting Shiba. Then we got the biggest news, which is Robinhood listing them. So if you're trying to get into Shiba now is the best time while it's still consolidating.
Fred,
once it hits Robinhood, it's done.
Do you really believe anybody's gonna buy a movie and sell any of their Shiba?
Nah, I don't think anyone's gonna sell their Shiba as well.
The point is that them accepting it is gonna be a good,
it brings it
a good thing for us. For
it
us
brings utility to the coin. That's what we need. It's bringing utility to the coin, which is gonna add value.
Right.
Also, AMC is also working on bringing in their own coin, so they're not going to be needing to accept their Shiba or any type of other payments because they're trying to get ahead of the curve and they're trying to bring out their own token as well. So we're all waiting for that.
Ruben, turn on your video, baby boy. Welcome to the show. Turn on the video. Join us.
Ruben, but
hello, everyone.
What's up, Ruben? They're still going to accept other forms of payment. They're not going to just say, Only AMC token. They're gonna say
Yeah,
Shiba.
that's like them only accepting cash and no credit cards.
Yeah, absolutely. The fact that they're jumping into accepting cryptocurrency is a big thing, right? But they're obviously trying to manipulate as much as that as they can control. So if they can have a control over them only accepting their own token, it's going to make people that want to purchase the movie tickets have to go through purchasing that token, which is going to basically explode their own token. So it's kind of like a double strategy if they do only utilize their own token as well.
Yeah,
Yeah. It'll bring attention. It'll definitely bring attention to their token.
Crypto's the future, so they're being forward thinking with it. So that's a good thing because a lot up until now, a lot of businesses are not accepting crypto. To them, it's foreign, you know. But now we have AMC, which is adopting the millennials and the Gen Zs, you know, with the new technologies, and they say, hey, you know what, we're gonna embrace it. You guys bought our stocks up. We're gonna embrace the new technologies so that we could stay thriving in the future.
Listen, I get everyone adopting and accepting Bitcoin and crypto and the ATMs everywhere, but my thing is, nobody's gonna sell it to buy anything with. I'm just being honest, bro.
Yeah.
Again, and I know all three. I don't even have to ask you three because I know you three will be like, you're right. So that thing is, again, the pump, all of that, but no one's doing that. I'll be honest. I don't think I'll ever see anyone say, yeah, I'll pay for this movie ticket, but I'm jumping 10 years in the future with some Ethereum. I highly doubt that.
But wait,
we go back into the same problem of like what happened with Elon and the reason why he took off basically accepting crypto payments, right? There was just no people utilizing their coins to make these type of purchases, right? The thing that happens is now is that we have a lot of people that even though they're inside of owning crypto, right? A lot of the people are not fairly true believers. Some people are holding, and if they can utilize it for other things, they're also utilizing it like that. Kind of like when Bitcoin started, there was people, you know, utilizing it to buy pizza, to buy deliveries, to buy all sorts of different things, not understanding and realizing that this would have bought them the whole pizza shop versus buying, you know, a pizza delivery.
The whole pizza shop, the whole block, bro. That guy would have been able to own the entire city blocks, Ruben.
About the city.
Yeah. Fred, what were you saying when I said what I said? What were you going to say?
Oh, I was going to say you sold your Bitcoin and bought a motorcycle.
Yeah, because the story, Fred, was because I don't know if you knew me back then as the professor, but the story was for me that I knew that the only thing I want in this world, other than the school, is my own, that electric motorcycle that I've always wanted. That's it. And Bitcoin was super overextended. And I'm like, yo, it ran too fast, too hard. It's coming back. Let me take it out of there. And boom, that's exactly what happened. Again, I said this on a live, so it is recorded. So point being, that's the only reason. But now I'm full in. I'm all into Ethereum, baby boy. Listen, all I have is enough to pay my monthly bills, and that's it. But the rest is all in cryptocurrencies. Boom.
Now with cryptocurrency, they have like BlockFi and they have Nexo. So instead of spending your crypto, you could use it as collateral. So you could actually take a loan from your own crypto, buy what you want, but not give up the rights to your crypto. You could repay it at a later date. So that's another option for people. People didn't have that option a few years back. They had to spend the crypto.
So boys, let me ask another question because I know this will be recorded and saved, and people will look back and be like, "What the hell?" So how you already told the story, Fred, on how you found it on Twitter late night. You saw the picture that caught your attention. You messaged Aubrey. Aubrey jumped in. Now this is the question: how did you guys buy it? Tell them that because I know a lot of people saying, "Professor, I don't want to wait till Coinbase has it. It's too late. I don't want to get it on Robinhood now. It's too late. I want to be the early guy who puts in $1,000 before anyone and their mother finds out, because there are so many coins out there that'll be the next Shiba, that'll be the next Doge, that'll be the next Ethereum or whatever. They want to get in before Coinbase acknowledges them. How did you, Aubrey and Fred, whichever wants to answer it, tell me the step by step. How did you buy your Shiba?
All right, so hold on, Aubrey, hold on. Wait, I'm gonna hand Aubrey the alley-oop, right? Aubrey always been the computer whiz, right? So me and Aubrey known each other for, we're talking about 20 years now, 25 years, whatever. Yeah. So when I seen it, I said, yo, Aubrey, we gotta get in this. And it's not in no we can't buy it nowhere. Aubrey was like, "All right, I'm gonna find a way to buy it, and then we'll just jump in it." So there you go. There's the alley oop, and then he'll tell you how to buy it.
Okay.
All right. So basically, with crypto, it's decentralized. So there's ways you could buy it bypassing any sort of rules or regulations. Like here in New York, you can't buy Shiba on Coinbase, even though it's on Coinbase. But you can still buy Shiba if you use a decentralized network like Uniswap. So Uniswap is a network where you can buy any cryptocurrency you want. You have to get a wallet like a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet or a Coinbase wallet. You load it with either Ethereum. Well, you have to load it with Ethereum. You go to uniswap.org. You're going to connect. It's going to ask you to connect your wallet. Once you connect it to your Ethereum wallet, you're going to put in the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer for SHIB, and then it just does a swap for you. It does a smart contract. It's done behind the scenes, and then boom, it throws it right in your wallet.
How
Just
long
like
does it take for that transaction to happen? Instant?
It takes about less than 10 minutes, because
Okay.
Ethereum has to get processed on the blockchain, and the Shiba has to get converted and then sent over. It's a
And
quick process.
the website, I'm assuming, is uniswap.com.
Uniswap.org.
Got you, guys. So there you go. And now here's the next question. Say I want to go on Uniswap, and because I've never used Uniswap, I just go on Coinbase Pro and I just buy Ethereum. That's all I know, and that's all I do is Ethereum. What if I wanted to go on uniswap.org right now and look at other coins that are just sitting there that could be potential, and sit and just research all of them and put 1,000.
You can do that. There's this whatever coin you want. What you do is you go to CoinMarketCap. You find the coin you want where it's listed.
Hold on. Let me pull that up. What was the CoinMarketCap?
CoinMarketCap.
Tell me about the site, Aubrey.
All right, so CoinMarketCap basically it ranks all of the cryptocurrencies. There's new ones every day, but you're going to look at the top 100, top 20, top 10. And once you're on there, once you do your research and you find the coin you want, you click on it, you get the information, you get their Twitter, you get their website, and they also tell you where you can purchase it from. Because not every cryptocurrency can be bought on Uniswap, because some of them are related to Binance. They're connected to Binance. So you might have to use a different network to get them. But for the most part, you can buy most of them on Uniswap.
Look at this one trending right now. EverEat. It's up 166%. There's something called Pink Shiba. Oh, here we go. It's up 518%.
So when you click on it, it actually tells you where you can exchange it at.
Okay, let's do this Pink Shiba. Oh, something called Shibazilla, Godzilla. Okay, I'm not gonna read that one out loud. Okay, never mind.
By the way, CoinMarketCap messed up the whole flow for Shiba the other day.
How?
They added more to the circulation supply. So they're going through a whole problem, and they're trying to make them fix the circulation supply. They added like another 300 trillion or something like that. So it got everybody scared, and everybody started selling. So that sell-off that you see in a couple of days ago,
Yeah. Also, this wasn't connected to what Elon said.
No, Elon, when Elon said that, it sold off a little bit, but we scooped it right up.
Yep.
Scooped it right up. Half an hour, 45 minutes max. We scooped it right up. We went right back up.
By the way, everybody watching this is at home. You guys know I have, my degrees in economics. I'm going to be, and you guys can agree or disagree to this. We can have an open discussion about what I'm about to say, because, people that get upset when I say what I'm about to say right now. Guys, this is a bubble. Agree or disagree, boys?
A bubble?
A bubble. This crypto, the Shibas, and all these coins. This is a bubble. You do know that, right? These crazy pumps.
Yeah, but a bubble is a bubble until it pops. So it's a bubble. We're gonna enjoy the bubble.
No. Let's all listen to me.
Yeah.
Aubrey, you said something to me that hasn't stopped I haven't stopped thinking about it ever since you said this thing to me. Let me go to it right now. You said to me during the seminar, I photographic memory, it was Sunday, and you were talking about Shiba because you asked phenomenal questions. And shout out to you, Fred, for sending him, because there's always one student that asks all these questions that enhances the learning, and Aubrey enhanced it big time. And you said to me, Professor, you should love the Shiba people. And I'm like, I said, why? He goes, we have to use Ethereum to buy Shiba for the gas fees, and now it won't stop going through my head. I'm like, yo,
all these coins, they have to buy Ethereum first when they first come out to get the coin.
So instead of me even saying, nah, I don't acknowledge that, I should start saying, I love you guys. You
That's
guys
why-
mean the world. I
That's
love
why-
the Shiba.
That's
I
it.
love-
But that's why Ethereum is going to overtake Bitcoin.
That's what they're saying.
And
Listen,
then also, when they
That's
cash out of Shiba, they buy Ethereum. When they cash out, they buy Ethereum, further driving it up.
wait. Say that again. Say it again.
When you
When
cash
someone
out, you got to
cashes
buy
out,
Ethereum. You got to
you gotta buy Ethereum.
convert it to Ethereum to cash
Why?
it out.
Why?
That's how you get your
How
money.
you get paid? How do you get your money? You gotta cash it out to Ethereum.
Oh, so but this is on Uniswap, not on Coinbase, right?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Ethereum, it doesn't matter if it's on Uniswap, Coinbase. Ethereum is Ethereum. Doesn't matter where it is.
No, of course, that I know. So let me ask. So hold on a second, because I don't do these type of coins. So if I go on Coinbase, I'm in New York. I know I can't, but let's just say I could. I bought some Shiba on Coinbase Pro, $1,000, and I cash out when it goes higher. I don't get cash.
You cash
No.
out to Ethereum, you have to sell your Ethereum. Coinbase allows you to cash out your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, but I can't cash it out on Coinbase because we're in New York. So other people they can sell their Shiba directly on Coinbase, but you and I, we're in New York, we can't.
No.
Yeah.
Aubrey, that I know, but I'm saying,
Yeah.
let's say I'm not in New York.
Yeah.
Can I cash out my Shiba into cash?
Yeah, directly on Coinbase, yes, you should be able to.
Yeah. I know that. That's why you got me. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, but before it was listed, the people that were cashing out on Uniswap, they had to convert it to Ethereum. So they were also driving it up even more.
And people, I love Aubrey. You are I appreciate you so much, because everyone asks me, why the hell, Professor, you always mention this. I'm like, everything revolves around Ethereum. Ethereum is I wish if I was like Superman, this would be my logo, man. This would be my logo, the Ethereum. I love it.
Ethereum is the mother of all coins.
I know, and that's why whenever I hear articles and people that I know say that Ethereum is going to overtake Bitcoin, I'm like, I love it, because my future, literally, I'm not going to say the number, but it's 6 figures. It's a lot in here. And it's been in there in the low 2000s, low 1000s. I've been accumulating vast amounts of it because I want to create the best trading crypto school, so no one could even come close to what I want to build. And I love what Aubrey said. Can I come and do? I'm like, Aubrey, for free, anytime you want. It's your home base, baby.
Yeah,
boy.
it's my home too. I'm coming too.
I know. You're gonna come to the December one. That's the last one for the year. I love it, Fred. I can't wait for you to come.
Hey, what I was gonna say to you, but Shiba is coming out with their own chain block, their own blockchain.
Tell me.
They're coming out with their own blockchain. So I don't think they're gonna rely on Ethereum no more.
Yeah, at some point they're going to separate, because Ethereum right now the transactional fees are extremely high. So Shiba Army, we want lower fees, so they listen to us and they're going to deviate, and we're going to have our own blockchain.
How about no? And let's stay on Ethereum, boys. Let's just stay on Ethereum. Let's stop this we should never have this conversation ever again.
Hey,
right.
Professor, but this is not the only thing that we was early on. Aubrey was early with Neo.
That's the
Aubrey was
stock
buying
ticker,
Neo at $2.
Hold
Yeah.
on. Let me pull it up. Okay, Neo.
Damn,
Guys,
Fred,
we'll touch base on Neo. I know I said it's a crypto talk, but there's nothing wrong with bringing up some stocks here and there. Okay.
No, I'm just bringing it up because I'm just telling you how early we was in certain things.
Yeah, I bought Neo at IPO. Then it tanked.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. That I gotta know. Because we talked about this at the seminar, Aubrey, and I said no IPOs, and it's a Chinese stock. But again, this was all before me. So why?
Correct.
Why?
I was just in love with Neo. When I looked at the cars, I'm like, wow, this is gonna blow it out the water. When you look at their cars, they're 10 times better than how Tesla cars look.
I've seen the Neo car, but it's the Chinese. Where you again, we talked about this at the seminar with the Lufkin coffee incident. You know about all of that.
Yeah, I went through that. But look, the Chinese market, they are the largest consumers of electric vehicles.
Yes.
China has the largest population. So where's the demand at? China.
I know. You know, Chinese love electric motorcycles.
Exactly.
They love electric motorcycles.
So when I seen that, I said, I'm all in. I bought it at IPO, then it tanked. No, you got to look at the other cars. They got some. There you go. That's what I seen. I seen that and I said, wow, Neo is it. Tesla
You can't
aimed
even buy this probably.
I
no,
look like a Lamborghini.
but let's be honest. Tesla's design are pretty bland. I'm pretty sure sometime in the future they're gonna update it and make it a little bit more, cooler looking. But until then, yeah. But anyway, Neo tanked, and then I bought 100 shares at $2.
So wait, hold on. Let me pull up the Neo. There we go. Here's Neo. You bought an IPO. It was how much at IPO? It was
Like around $14 or something like that. 14, 16.
It was $5.35.
Well, no, I didn't get that. That was like I got it when it pumped, because I bought it on Robinhood.
This is before we knew charts.
Yeah.
No, that's why I respect it. You took the initiative, Aubrey, to learn it the right way. So I respect it. Let's keep going. So you bought it on the pump. So you got it at which price was it, Aubrey? You remember?
It probably was like $14, $16 or something like that.
So you got it in this one went to $13.80.
Yeah, somewhere around there. It was up there. It was,
when did you sell it?
I sold it. Let me look at my history. I don't remember the exact time. It was a few years
back.
back.
It doesn't have to be the exact, Aubrey.
Yeah. But I sold it when I'm like, oh man, it's going down. It's going down. Yep, you see, it's going down. It's going down. I'm getting out. Yeah. Then I got it at $2. Wherever it went to $2, I got in.
Why did this collapse happen? Do you know? Let me see.
Because there were some rules that they weren't going to be allowed in the US or something like that. And it just there was a lot of trade war talks with China. It was a lot of that going on.
Got you. Okay. Yeah, man. If you could have gotten you at $1,
I was buying Snapchat at $11.
So how did you hear
Snapchat is like
about
70 something now.
You just heard, you saw the car, and that was the rest?
That was it. I was doing my research, looking up, new IPOs, and I looked at Neo. I said, "What's this?" And I said, "Wow, this is amazing." I believe in electric vehicles. So I said, "Yeah, this one's gonna run up," But it tanked for whatever reason. But then I ended up buying back in, and I got it at 100 shares at $2 a piece. It went up to $8, and I sold. And I thought I made the best trading, ever. I'm like, yeah, I got it at $8. Look at it now.
Of course. But remember,
and he was the one that told me about Neo. So I started buying Neo at $18.
I love it.
I started buying Neo at $18. Right now, I got like 500 shares of Neo.
I told a lot of people about Neo. Actually, I had a friend. He bought over 1,000 shares of Neo when the price dropped. He held on to it, and he got a nice chunk of change right now.
So wait, when did you sell it, Fred?
No, I still got Neo. Neo's my baby. Look, I can't even. Yeah, I can show you. Hold on. Neo's my baby. Hold on. Let me see if I can flip my camera around.
Yeah, let me see. I want to see.
Well, let's get traded, Professor. I want to.
Okay. Wait, can we talk about Doge for like 5 minutes and then jump on it? Let's talk about Doge for 5 minutes.
All right.
Oh no.
I love it, boys, because the meme coins are not
Look,
my
Professor. That's my baby. I look at her every day. I'm gonna own one as soon as they come over here. First thing I'm gonna do.
How much, Fred? How much are they?
They're about I think like 50, 60.
That's not bad.
They're not that expensive. But they got more expensive ones.
Of course. No, I love it, boys, because the meme coins, the Shiba, this is not my forte. I'm technical analysis. I'm break down the crypto coins, the coins that I know will be around in 10, 20 years. So I love that you guys brought it on because you're giving me so much information on things that I don't even know that much about when it comes to Shiba and Doge and the Uniswap and all that. Because I just go to Coinbase, transfer, click one button, buy, and I'm like done for the day. For me, I'm not going through all the Uniswap business.
There's more.
Hey, Professor. So when I was when I started buying the Neo, that's when I first got into the stocks, right? And Aubrey was telling me about crypto, and we was looking at Bitcoin. I had an opportunity to buy one Bitcoin, well, more than one Bitcoin, like 2 or 3 of them at 13,000, and I didn't pull the trigger.
Why?
I was just scared. I didn't know what the hell it was.
This was before, it hit 20,000 and pulled back. And I told him, I said, look, if it hit 20,000, it's going to go back to 20,000. You know as high as it can go. I said, buy it. It will go past 20,000. It's going to. It has no choice but to. And look
You
what happened.
boys are ahead of the curve in every way, shape, and form. I love you guys are like phenomenal guests, man. I love having you two on.
Professor, if you know how much money I've exhausted in crypto, your mind, you're like, what the hell's wrong with you, baby boy?
All right, wait. So why did I dump Doge? Let me go back to Neo. I was gonna say something, damn it. Hold on. Let me go back. Oh man, I was about to say something about Neo, and then I was gonna jump here. I just wanted to say one thing, and then we'll do Doge.
Okay. Doge dropped a lot.
It did. All right, people, just a quick thing about if you were watching Neo, because I know people that are in Neo. Neo is on a stage 1 right now, moving very nicely. So just so you know, once it breaks 43.14, it's going to at least, it's going to go 50, into something called stage
50 something, I think, right?
55.13. So my suggestion is, if you want to sell, take profits, take it at 55. Don't wait till 55.13. Anywhere in the 50, high 50s, you're good. Like 40, 54, 53, if you want. For those with that get scared and nervous. So just so you know, because again, if I see it, I'm gonna let you know. Boom. And by the way, Julian, if you're watching, jump on later, because I want to talk about the Lucid, because you came on my show, Julian, because I see you in the comment section, and you messaged me because I wasn't watching Lucid. You're like, Professor, it did exactly what you said, the knock, knock, boom, and it went bananas. So we'll talk about that later, if anything. All right, boys, let's talk about Doge.
Professor, knock, knock, boom. I've been screenshotting and sending knock, knock, booms to Arby for the long time. Ask him. Every time I said, this is a knock, knock, boom, and it works
like,
out.
What the hell is this knock, knock, boom? And then I learned this from the professor. I'm like, oh, this is dope. You got to get that trademark, Professor. That's dope. Knock, knock, boom. You know?
Listen,
and the way
you know, Fred, you know how funny Aubrey is? During the seminar, I see Aubrey because he had, because in the seminar, you see me on one screen and the smart board separate on a bigger screen. So Aubrey was just doing this and this, because I was giving advice on things, right? I'm like, guys, this is on a stage 1. JetBlue is doing this. MRO is doing this. Boom, 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 boom. He's taking pictures. I'm assuming he was sending it to you.
He sent me one. He was like, look, I'm in class now, because I was texting him. He wasn't answering me. Then he sent me a picture. He's like, I'm in class with the professor. I was like, oh, all right.
Now I sent it to my other friend Ashley. He's big on investing as well. Is he
coming to the December seminar, Aubrey?
No, he's not. He's not into learning. I keep telling him, you got to learn. You're trading without the knowledge. But
let me guess, he's a group chat guy.
No, he's not either. He's actually in Hawaii right now. He's not a group chat guy. He just likes to talk about it on the phone.
Oh, he's one of those. Yeah, no action, but he'll talk about it all day.
All day.
It's funny. There's 3 types of individuals, and the learning ones are the smallest population, basically. People who actually want to learn. It's the ones who like to talk about it. It's the ones who are in group chats. And then it's the people who want to learn, but that's the smallest minority. No, almost nobody really wants to learn. Just tell me the ticker, bro. Just give me the ticker.
No, I want to learn. So tell me about the knock, knock, booms and whatever. Let's do it.
I love it. All right, last thing, and then we'll start the show. I promise, everyone watching. Boys, Give me your Doge stories next. Who put who on Doge, and give me the story. Let's go.
All right, well, I got involved with Doge because I kept, actually I bought it as soon as it went on Robinhood. I was buying it. I was buying it like when nobody was even thinking about it, way before it was a penny, and I would sell it. But then that was years later, it came back up in conversation, and I bought some more. I had about like 40,000 Dogecoin, and I had it before it was even 1 cent. It was like 0.00 whatever. So then it went to 1 cent. I'm like, oh my God, they said it would never hit a penny. So I held on 2 cents, 3 cents,
but wait,
4 cents.
So the logic is it came on Robinhood and that's it, Aubrey. That was the logic.
No, once it came on Robinhood, I just was trading it. Yeah, I didn't care what it was. It was like, oh look, there's a coin that's 0.000. You can spend $20 and have a whole bunch of coins, and then you can make 10, 15 bucks when it shoots up, So that was my logic. I was day trading. I was buying it, selling it, buying it, selling it. It goes up, I sell. It goes down, I buy it. So that's how I was going.
So you're ready to do what we're gonna do. Hold on 1 second, Aubrey. They're asking for your IG names, boys, but don't tell them yet. Guys, okay. we got people watching. If I get 50 likes on this video, 50, I'm very minimum. Give me 50 likes and I'll give you the boys' IGs. How about that? You guys can hit them up. Give me 50 thumbs up for the boys, and I'll bring them, and I'll ask them to come back as regulars in the future, by the way, as regulars.
Hold on, Professor. You selling us?
Come
You selling us? What's going on here?
Well, first of all,
everybody hit the like button because Professor, he's a gem. We gotta cherish him while we can, because he's gonna get to the point where he's gonna be too big and we're gonna miss these moments. Like, oh man.
First of all, appreciate that, but stop it because listen, Tuesdays and Fridays, God willing, forever live. Tuesdays and Fridays, God willing, forever. So boom.
Nah, I'm just messing around with you.
No, I know, Fred. I know. All right, so that was your story on Aubrey with Doge. Fred, what's your story on Doge?
Doge, he was just telling me about Doge. I didn't know what the hell it was. I was like, all right, whatever. I bought it at 5 cents. I put I think $100 or something, and then it just started going crazy. And I was like, oh shit, I gotta start adding more. And then I just
where did you buy it? Do you remember the month?
No, it was 5 cents when I first bought it.
Gotcha.
Doge was 5 cents.
Okay, keep going. Tell the story.
And then it was consolidating for a long time. And then when it started shooting up, I said, oh, it's really doing something. And I just started adding more and started averaging up. I think I averaged up to 18 cents. And then I averaged up to I think 21 cents or something.
When did you sell? I'm assuming
I sold that early. I sold that I think it went up to the 30-something cents. I got to look at
sell at 30-something cents.
I don't know. I was just tired of holding it. I was like, I'm just gonna get rid of it. I got tired of holding it and just put the money somewhere else.
I sold it at 8 cents because I'm like, I made a killing, just like with Neil. I'm like 8 cents. I guess 8 is my number. I'm like, yeah, I'm out of here.
Listen, if you go on YouTube and look at the guys that were trading Bitcoin when it was pennies and a couple of dollars, they're shooting themselves in the legs. Right? Aubrey, don't feel that type of way. Because honestly, they feel worse because I've seen their before and after interviews and they feel horrible. Because there's a video in one of them, oh my God, Bitcoin's going to $5. I have to sell. And now it's worth $60,000.
I'm not doing it with Sheep. I don't care how many times Arby's telling me, yo, I'm about to sell. He just told me that today. 2 hours ago, he's like, yo, I'm about to sell my sheep. I'm like, go ahead, man. I don't even care no more. I'm holding on to.
I was just trolling him. I'm not gonna sell it anymore. I'm gonna wait till it gets to at least half of a penny.
So what I did was, Professor. So I have 217 million coins of sheep.
Wait. Don't jump the sheep just yet. Hold on. With Doge, by the way, you guys didn't get back into FOMO in here, did you?
No. Mm-mm.
Good.
Hell no.
Good.
By that time, I knew a little bit of charts. By that time, I was like, no, I can't.
People, this is the thing. Again, you can go back to the old videos whenever the IG's back. You don't want to do this buy. You want to buy, again, I'll show you again, because Doge, I did a one-on-one a couple of weeks ago, and it was a husband and a wife, and they just want to trade cryptocurrencies. And I told them, I said, listen, these are all lines I made for them. I said, the second 2488 is broken, we're looking very nice. We are looking nice right now because 2488, where are you? Here you go, is broken.
I would jump back in.
So now we're on a stage 2. So the winter is very good to cryptocurrencies. So this should go next to 50 cents. So you got at least less than 25-cent move. So again, I'm not telling you to if you want to trade it or invest in it, there's nothing wrong with putting 100, 1,000, whatever is nothing to you. So you don't get FOMO. And also you get to have the conversation Christmas time. Yo, I'm in Doge right now. Look how much I'm up. That conversation. Because I know a lot of you love doing that. So Aubrey, go give me a Shiba story, and then we're gonna start the show live trading. Go.
You mean Aubrey or me?
Oh, who was it then? I think it was Aubrey, right? Or that was you, Fred?
No, that was me. Look, so I bought 200. I got altogether 217 million coins. Remember, this was
Stop telling me that number because why do you? Okay, so this is the next question. Why do you guys say that number and not the dollar number?
Well, it cost me like $1,200 to get 217 million.
The reason why we say.
The reason why we say that number, because that's a very important number once it reaches a cent. Very important. So
I
what I
got you.
did was they came out with the Shiba swap. This was another story. Shiba swap. That's why I was consolidating for a very long time because the Shiba swap. Oh, we're working on the Shiba swap. Everybody was like, "Oh, when is it coming out?" Da, da, da. So when they came out with the Shiba swap, I buried. So the way it is that if you bury your sheep, they give you an opportunity to gain other tokens that they have, like the bone, and then
And
they
leash.
have
Yeah.
the leash.
Yeah, it's 3 coins. It's bone, leash, and your Shiba.
So now because my Shiba is buried, I'm gaining bone, which is right now bone is at $2. And so I just got a strategy. I buried the half, and then the other half I'm just gonna wait till it hit a cent or wherever it's gonna hit, and then I'm gonna cash some of that out and do what I got to do with it, and then the other half that I got buried is just gonna be sitting there.
So that's your thing, Fred. You're waiting for 1 cent, and that's it. You're selling at 1 G. So like the Doge.
Well,
army
because
was $1.
Well, because the 1 cent seemed like it was never gonna happen, right? Everybody kept saying, "Oh, 1 cent never gonna happen." They have too many coins. They got 1 quadrillion coins, but in the other token, Doge reached 75 cent, and their supply is unlimited. You know what I'm saying?
Again,
So
these coins are not in reality. Let's be honest, right or wrong.
Yeah,
You can say the same thing about Ethereum, though, Professor. You can't say that and not say that about Ethereum. It's the same thing.
Ethereum is in reality. What?
Yeah, but so is Shiba. Because Shiba's operating on the Ethereum network.
I know.
Yeah.
Listen, I love you, meme coin guys. I love all of you guys. Hello. Buy more, guys.
I buy Ethereum as well.
Good.
But anyway, no more stories. Let's get to the trading because I know that people want to know what's going on with the trading.
All right, ready? Let's go. By the way, guys, I only got 30 likes. I need 20 more. I need 19 more, and then the boys will tell you their IGs. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's do sheep. What time frame you boys want to trade? Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Let's get serious now. All right.
When I do my resistance and support, I do it on 5 minutes.
What the freak? You can't do it on 5. You can't trade on 5 minutes.
No, I don't trade. I don't trade.
He didn't come to the class, Professor.
I don't trade, Professor. I'm more of I swing trade. I haven't day trade yet.
No, Fred, I know, but for tonight's show, you watch me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. No, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
We're gonna do it, but we're not gonna do it. We can't do it at 5. Forget it. We'll be here forever. Aubrey, when you used to trade the meme coins, what time frame was best for you?
Well, I wasn't trading the meme coins. I just bought them and I was holding on to them.
Got you. Okay. So you know what? Let's see. Let's try 2 hours. Let's do 2 hours. How about that? Works?
You're using the 2 hours to chart it up, right?
Yep.
Support and resistance? Okay.
Yep. Ready? All right, so let's start it off. What indicators do you want to use? Again, so just so I let the audience know. Wait, you know what? Let me answer some questions because I've neglected the questions. Boys, give me 2 seconds.
All right.
You're loving our story so much, you forgot about the audience.
I did. I was loving it way too much. Okay, let's go. They like your name, Fred. Smash the like. Thank you, Sophie. I appreciate you. The memes are great for great scalp. 100%. I agree. I did the same thing with Safe Moon. Okay, Julian. All right. Yeah, Safe Moon was the big thing last year, I remember. But now I think Safe Moon crashed or something.
No, Safe Moon taking off right now.
We got Safe Moon too. We got Safe Moon.
I got Safe Moon too.
Oh my God. All right.
I got 12 million Safe Moon.
Let's look at Safe Moon at the end because we do got to start the show. So we'll do that at the end.
All right.
It's Friday. We could be here all night.
I got you. Some guy said, I know nothing. Okay. All right, Niall. I know nothing. I got you.
You got to learn now. He got to learn. That's all.
It's okay. Yeah, I don't know about the meme. I admitted that like I think 30 minutes ago. I don't because I don't go into that world.
Jared Peters just tweeted Shiba Army.
Who?
Jared Peters.
Oh, he did? Oh, I spoke to him last night. He goes, I got to set up my Zoom, Professor. I'm going to jump on your show. I want to be on your show immediately. I said, thank you, Mr. Whenever you're ready, download the Zoom. So he's coming on the show whenever he has the time and he downloads Zoom. So he's coming back on the show. Professor is a diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I appreciate that. Yeah, That's what Aubrey said. I appreciate you, Aubrey. Thank you, Young Trail. Manny's in the house. What's up, Manny? Hope all is well. My Lucid option call, 0.60, 450, but it went to 1071. I don't know what that means, but okay. I'm assuming you're saying that Lucid went crazy. I heard that too, but I think that's what he's saying. For it to reach 1 penny, it will have a higher market cap than Apple. I agree, Manny, but you know the meme argument is strong.
Manny,
No,
I
so-
wasn't swing trading on the 5 minute. I was I do it on I follow GP. I follow GP's strategy, the daily.
Yeah, so Professor, what that guy just said, that in order for it to hit a penny, it would have a market cap bigger than Apple. The missing point that he's missing is that they're burning coins. So with them burning coins, that's going to bring us closer to a penny without it having to go up. So we're actually losing coins as we go along.
Yeah, the same thing happening with Ethereum. They're burning coins as well.
Exactly.
You can't
So
swing trade from
will hit a
5 minute
penny.
chart. No, I know, Manny. You can't swing trade 5 minute chart. 100%. Hourly, daily. That's it. Sebastian, Professor Mark uses 4 hours, or at least that's what he meant. Yeah. Sebastian, you can use 4 hours. You can use 2 hours. It's fine. Squid Game coin. Oh God, I'm not getting into that conversation. I've never seen Squid Games. I've heard it, but I haven't watched it. All right, boys, let's rock and roll. All right, let's do it. So now, before we start, what indicators do you boys use? What do you want to use to trade crypto? Let's do it.
All right, so Professor, I love RSI. I love the RSI indicator.
The MACD.
Okay, done. RSI MACD locked and loaded. What else?
We could use the I guess we could use the VWAP. Can we use the
Okay,
VWAP?
VWAP works nice for cryptocurrencies, 100%. What else? That's it?
Yeah, that's about it. That's
Okay, done. Done. All right, boys. So we're not gonna use Shiba or Doge because you know what it looks like. So exactly. Y'all not sneaky. I'm gonna hide the coin from you. So I'm gonna ask the audience to drop me some meme coins that are trending, and I'm gonna pick one at random. So let's go in the comment. You boys can go in the comment section too and drop some too. But let's see. All right, guys. So fill up the comment section with all the coins that are moving. I want something with momentum, by the way. Please don't give me slow movers. Give me something with momentum that's moving so we could trade. Give me a meme coin, guys. So go. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Give me a meme coin. Go.
Professor, we might know all the meme coins that they're about to answer, that they're about to give you.
Yeah, but I'm going to pick one at random, Fred, and I'm not going to let you see which one it is.
Oh, okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
you should
All
do
right, guys.
flexible.
Look at the Squid Game coin. Okay, what's the CG? Drop the ticker. Guys, just start dropping tickers of whatever crypto coin. There we go. They're coming in hot. All right, let me start putting them all in now. Let's go. There we go. Aubrey, can you start reading them to me one by one, please? So I don't have to turn around. I can just do it one shot, please.
All right, we got a bundle of blocks as Floki.
Can you spell all of them?
FLOKI.
USD. Okay.
And then Young
This one
Trill.
has not this one. This one has a T next to it. This can't be it.
I can't tell. I can't really see.
Open your trading view because this is your territory now with all the altcoins. This is not my world. So can you open up trading view? Because this one is FLOKI
Yeah,
There's no
yeah,
USD.
that's it. Yeah, that's the pair. It's Floki because they compare it to the US dollar tether.
Done.
So it's,
Okay.
yeah, that's it.
Just wanted to confirm. All right, keep going, Aubrey.
All right, the other one is Young Trill says ICE, $ICE.
Oh wait, there's a dollar sign in front of it?
Yeah, I'm not familiar with that.
Okay, that's an interesting one. Okay. ICE.
Yeah.
No, don't put it with the dollar sign.
Oh, don't put it with the dollar sign. Well, it came up anyway, so boom. Okay, next one. Keep going, boys.
Hoge, HOGE. That's from Young Trill.
HOGE. It doesn't exist.
Doesn't exist? Okay,
Nope.
so
HOGE USD. Nothing came up.
that's it.
No, nothing came up, Aubrey.
Okay, so then it's not there then. It's not listed
Yep.
there then. All
Keep
right,
going.
so Misfit Fem said spell SPELL.
Make sure y'all drinking your water.
Do I have any? Nope, I don't have any. Okay, got it. Spell. Never heard of this one. Next one.
All right.
We'll do one more.
One of my fellow classmates, Higuera, he said 4 to 8 talked about Floki today. The next one is gonna do. Somebody said
we got Floki. We got Floki already.
all right. Somebody screaming the Squid Game coin. CG
What is
is
it?
saying Squid Game coin. Trust them. Trust me. Squid. SQUID.
From CG.
Coin. This is so freaking weird. USD. Squid USD. Nothing comes up, boys.
Nothing comes up. All right. I don't know.
Yeah, I typed in SQUID USD.
No, just type in SQUID.
Oh, okay. All right. Which one?
What does it say? I can't see your screen.
I got Wrapped BNB, Wrapped Ether, Wrapped BNB International Squid Games, Squid Games / Wrapped Ether. I got a whole bunch of stuff.
I guess
I'm
we could just
assuming
do
the
the,
Uniswap one.
let's do the Wrap Ether. Let's do Wrap Ether because that's Squid versus Ethereum.
Okay.
How about
All right.
Baby Doge? Baby
All right,
Doge.
that's it. Okay, so that's enough, boys. Listen, do me
All
a
right.
favor. You two have a conversation. I'm gonna move the camera so I can do what I'm gonna do. So you don't know what coin it is. So you guys do that.
All right. Yo, what's up, John?
What are we gonna talk about?
All right, we're gonna talk about why we can't know what coin he's trading, man. We supposed to be on the in team, man.
I thought not knowing would be for the people that's
Yeah. Well, I
watching.
mean-
Yeah, you're not supposed to know either, boys.
All right. So we gotta pull up TradingView, right? I'm gonna pull it up on my phone because I got you on my laptop.
No, you don't have to. You just look at the screen. Just look at the
Okay, I
screen.
got you. All right.
That's Sebastian. Sebastian, you always have the shenanigans over there.
He always let me know he's coming. That's his entry music. He's like a wrestler.
What the hell? This Squid Game went, it went 0. Yo, I gotta show you this. This is too funny. I gotta show you, boys. Hold on. I gotta pull this up. This is too funny. Let me bring the camera down.
Squid Game might be a new. Yeah, that's new.
Look!
Yeah, that's a new coin.
No, look!
It's
Are you
flat.
looking at
Maybe that's not. I'm gonna check it out online. Let me see. Squid Game coin.
it? It went from 0 to.
So what?
It's worth 0 right now.
No. It says the Squid Game crypto gains 86,000% in less than a week.
Yeah, but this is the one I put. Squid WE. That's the one you told me.
I'm gonna. Yeah, I don't know if it comes up on TradingView. That's probably what it is.
Oh, okay. Because I'm about to say this thing went to 0.
No, the token is $12. It's $12 right now.
Oh, okay. Well, tell that person to drop the goddamn exact ticker then, because
It's
this ain't it then.
It's
I
SQUID.
think he heard you.
Oh, okay.
He or she.
Yeah, so it went from $2 to $12. It's up 422%.
John is saying what's up to y'all.
Ooh, who are you talking about?
John.
No, John. Where in the comment? Who's John?
John was in the class with us in October.
Oh no, I don't see him. Oh, there he is. What up, Professor Aubrey? I don't see him writing the ticker. Where?
No. It's in the chat. It's in the YouTube chat.
Oh, he's texting you on the side. Ah, got you. Okay, let me just knock out some of these comments. Who the hell is CG? CG, what's your real name? Do I know you? Manny says, Professor, someone is trying to teach indicators on YouTube. LOL. I thought he don't need it. Manny, be nice. Manny, be nice. Nunez, he's buying views too.
On Instagram.
What'd you say, Fred?
Yeah, I follow Manny too on Instagram.
Manny got an Instagram. I thought you meant YouTube. Yeah, good. Manny's the best. Nunez, Stop it, Nunez. Manny, boys, be nice. Be nice. Let's pretend he doesn't exist. Let's pretend he don't exist. All right. So let me just pick a different coin because this squid thing one ain't working right now. All right, let's try this one. Let me see. Ooh, this is an interesting one. Let me see if I'm gonna play with this one. Yep, we can play with this one. Boys, no VWAP. No VWAP.
Hey, Professor, you ever thought about coming out with your own coin? You
Nah, baby boy.
That's a real story. I mean, a real question.
No. People want me to turn my paintings into NFTs.
NFTs.
People message me all the time. The professor, your painting should be NFTs. I'm like, bro, I love you NFT people because you have to buy Ethereum and all that stuff to buy NFTs, but I'm fine.
They
I
are
just want to teach.
NFTs.
I just want to teach. That's all I want to do, bro. I really just want to teach. That's it.
You can come out with a coin, and with the money that you're making off that coin is just to build schools.
Valid point. Valid point.
And that's your story. That that's the story you can.
You set the token, and you got a certain amount, and whoever wants to join the seminar, they got to buy the token.
You know what? This is a conversation we can have. You know what? That's a good conversation. Let's talk about this later. I like this conversation. I like this. You know, that's a good idea. I need someone to.
We got ideas.
I know you do.
They gotta buy the token from the exchange. The demand.
Hold on. You can't tell them. You can't tell them. We got it's between us. We gotta.
All right, boys. So I'm not gonna tell you what the coin is.
Okay.
But this is what we're looking at right now. People in the comment section, if you know what it is, please don't say it in the comment section. I'm asking nicely.
Yes,
I will tell you what the coin is at the end. So we will trade this crypto coin. We will be doing it. Guys, what time frame you want? 2 hours? We can do any time frame you want. 2 hours, 4 hours. What do you want?
We could do 2 hours.
Done. We're doing 2 hours. Because again, I know my mentor, Mark Palumba, does 4 hours. Again, 4 hours is good. 2 hours is nothing. Like I know traders that use 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, whatever minutes. It's people, some trade with seconds. I used to trade with seconds. To each their own. All right, so let's go. Now we're ready to go.
CG says he followed you on Instagram.
No, I know, but what's CG's real name?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I need to know. I need his real name. All right, let's start the show, boys. So what do we do first? Oh, by the way, Aubrey, this is not high and ashy. They're regular candles.
I got you. Top down.
Top down approach. So start off, my brother.
All right, so we're gonna draw our resistance lines at the top.
What time frame?
You said 2 hour. Oh,
no. We're gonna trade on 2 hours, but we're gonna.
Okay, we're gonna start with the daily. Start with the daily.
Start with the daily. There we go. This is all we're working with.
That's a new coin.
No, I just knocked out a lot of information. Hold on, there's a glare. What the hell is that white thing? What is this? Oh, it's my freaking seminar syllabus. Hold on, boys. Let me move this stuff so there's no reflection. Let me try to make it nice. Okay. I'm gonna have to shut the TV off, but that's a problem because I need to see the TV. Hold on. Let me see if I can shut the lights off if that helps. Hold on, boys. See if this helps.
Or you can lower the brightness on the TV.
But the remote is at the other part of the house. It won't take me too long to get there. It's
house. How big is your house, man?
It's I don't like talking about that. It's a good size.
He said it's on the other part of the house. You're gonna have to call somebody to go get it for you.
Professor, I thought you were a minimalist.
I was a what?
I thought you said you were a minimalist.
No, I am a minimalist, but I like nice things. I am a minimalist.
Professor, DG said the name of the coin should be Baby Boy Coin.
No, it would be the Professor coin. What the hell? All right, boys, let's start. Let's go.
All right.
Let me zoom in more. Boom. Ready?
Let's go.
I'm on the daily time frame. Tell me what to do.
All right, we're going to draw our resistance line at the top. Boom. Then we're going to draw our support at the bottom.
Keep going.
Okay, and then there's only about like 10 candles there. I don't know what else you want to draw.
Okay, so think about it. What should we do next? Think about this.
All right, we could draw a secondary resistance line.
Where?
Where those two candles are in the middle. Nope, to the left. Right above those. Yeah.
Boom.
DG's name is Chris.
Chris? Which was Chris? Chris with no shorts on, Chris? That Chris that I know? Aubrey, right there.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Next.
Because that was the support and resistance for those two candles. And then we got one more in the middle, right
Wait,
here.
pause. Guys, if you heard him, he's 100% on the money. Resistance right here. Support right there. Boom. So very good, Aubrey.
That
I swear
means
to God.
that means resistance became support.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Keep going, boys.
All right, and then we could probably do one more underneath the two top, the two candles to the right.
Boys, I'm going to try something. I'm going to minimize all of your faces and everything. I hate doing that, but maybe that helps. Nope, that just turned the screen red. Hold on. I got it. Oh, whoa. What am I doing?
Special going on over there?
What'd you say?
The red light special going on over there?
No, that's my logo. It's the for day trade professor. It's my logo that popped up. Hold on, I got an idea. Let me just make the screen black. Because I don't want the glare. The glare is, if I was, I always think about if I was a student sitting on the other side. So
Yeah,
I don't like it.
It's not that bad the way I'm seeing
No, I
it.
know, but it could be better. I try to strive for the best of everything in my life. So let me try to try this. I think this might work. I'm gonna make the screen black. Set as background. Okay, how about you work? Oh, it's frozen. Okay. What do you think now, boys?
Yeah, it's good, but we can't see you.
Yeah, you're not supposed to see me.
All right, cool.
Yeah, you're supposed to. Let me get rid of these icons.
We don't see you on the Zoom, but we see you on the YouTube video.
Oh, because it's delayed, baby boy.
Oh,
It's
okay.
all delayed over there. All right, and that looks perfect. Okay, beautiful. All right, boys. So we got that. Now, anything else?
Yeah, right there in the middle, right in the middle, right underneath those two. Yeah, right there.
Which one?
No, down, right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now what do we do, Aubrey?
We're gonna switch to the. Well, you're doing 2 hour, right? 2 hour time frame.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, let's see. So now we want to check if you did a good job, Aubrey. Let's review. Fred, you can talk to, baby boy.
I know,
boy.
but I don't want to talk over.
No, it's okay. You guys are competing together to see who's the best.
Come on, baby boy.
Ari got the hand. He got it over me. He went to the class, man.
I know it's okay, but you can comment and we'll teach you. Boys, tell me what's next. Aubrey, did you do a good job? Okay, Fred, let me ask you a question.
Yeah,
Did
you guys are
Aubrey
freezing up.
Did Aubrey do a good job?
Let me see.
I lost the professor. I lost him.
Wait, you guys can't see me?
No, I see you all black.
No, I know, but you can't see this board?
No.
You gotta look at YouTube. Look on the YouTube.
On YouTube?
Okay.
There it is. He's back. There, I can see you now.
No, but you shouldn't be seeing me, period. You should be on just the smart board.
Oh, I didn't. I'm using only one display. I didn't activate the secondary display.
Oh, okay. You boys should only be seeing the smart board, nothing else.
That looks good, Professor.
Tell me why, Fred. Tell me why.
It's matching up with the daily. It's
Matching what? Give me
We
the
got a
exact
lot-
terminology.
the support and resistance.
Very good. Excellent, boys. So now the next question is,
Not out of whack.
very good. Very good. Now, what do we do next, boys? Let's go.
All right. Well, we can add the RSI, I guess. I like the RSI.
Not yet. Let's do
Okay.
something else. We will do that. Something else.
Draw trend lines.
My man. So tell me what kind of trend, what am I drawing here? What's
All right,
the
we
trend on this crypto coin right now?
Right now, it's in a downtrend.
Excellent. Where do I draw the trend line, Aubrey?
From the top down.
Very good.
Tip top.
I love it. Now, Aubrey, the question is, how many candles?
You froze, Professor.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. You said how many
How
candles?
many candles is it supposed to touch?
At least 3.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very
At
good.
least 3 candles to
Be strong.
Yeah, have a
Why
strong.
am I going all the way down here, Aubrey?
Because you want to project out. As soon if it breaks out of that zone, you know that it's reversing.
Correct. All right. What do we do? Yo, you're Aubrey. You make me so. I swear to God, being the professor, like this stuff makes me so proud. I love everything you're saying. It's a beautiful thing, man. Because I know, God forbid, if I was gone tomorrow, you don't need me ever again. You know what to do, and that's what I ultimately believe in at the end of the day.
Yeah,
Yo,
no.
Professor, that's because we watched you for a long time before he took the class. So
No,
he came in with his tools sharp already.
I love it. No, you know what I love is the fact that this person, I'm not going to say his name, tried to destroy me, right? And he tried to destroy me and take me off of IG. I went on YouTube, and you can't stop me. And I'm still teaching you guys, and I'm still spreading my knowledge to all of you. So it's a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Hey, we don't worry about the haters over here, you know?
No, I know. All right, boys, keep going now.
All right,
What do I do next?
you're gonna draw the support line under the downtrend.
Wait, what? No, we have it already.
No, but you got the resistance at the top. What about the bottom?
Oh, you don't have to do that one.
Okay,
Because,
all right.
Aubrey, when do we buy in? When what event takes place?
When it breaks above the trend.
When it breaks anywhere above here.
I got you.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
The reason why I like to put the line underneath so that way I know
Done.
if it
Done.
if it
No, we're doing it then. Done. If you do it, then that's fine. There's nothing wrong with doing this. Absolutely nothing wrong with doing this. I just don't do it.
yeah.
There's nothing wrong with this. Of course you can do this.
Wait. So, Arby, why do you put the bottom?
Because then I know that it's gonna be if it breaks down above that support line, it's gonna continue to go down. It's gonna go down hard if it breaks below that support line.
Yes, correct. Aubrey's 100% on the money. By the way, Aubrey, did you download that free book in your private seminar portal?
No, I didn't get it yet.
Download it. It's free. You can, again, the link is again for those people. It's this book for those that are not taking the seminar or have access to the free portal. This is the book I'm telling Aubrey about. If you want to learn how to do charting really well, it's if you go to my website, it's this book right here. This one. This book. Aubrey, it's free for you in the portal. So you can just, it's like pictures of the charts and everything. This is fantastic. I think it's like $8 or $12. I don't know. But boom, guys, this is the book I'm talking about. It's really good for charting.
I'm gonna get it tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna read it tomorrow.
Yes, again, it's free, so you don't have to pay. All these books are free in the book club.
All right. Thanks.
Okay. All right, let's go back. All right, next. What do I do next?
Why you don't have why you don't accept Ethereum payments?
Because maybe I don't even know how to set that up.
You see, that's why you got us. We know how to do this stuff. I told you a long time ago. You need a team behind you that know how to. I told you I know how to build websites. RB knows how to deal with the computer. He a computer whiz, but all right, whatever. We'll talk about that later.
We'll talk about that later. Let me go. Wait, let me just jump on YouTube for a second to see some comments. If anybody has anything, Baby Boy Coin. Okay, we got that already. Good evening, everyone. Hope I didn't miss out. Important. Steven, you mad late, bro. You're mad late. Chris says he got his money's worth. Aubrey, did you get your money's worth from the seminar?
Most definitely, man, and beyond.
I love it. I appreciate you.
I hear the end of it, Professor.
What'd you say, Fred?
I couldn't hear the end of it. He was just bragging, yo. He was just talking about the class the whole time.
Thank you, Aubrey. That means a lot to me, baby boy. Thank you.
No, it's definitely worth it because I got to be honest. I was questioning myself. I say, hey, the professor has a free trading course. Why do I need to go to the live seminar? But it's a completely different experience. You know, it's definitely.
Tell that. Let me turn the lights on for 2 seconds. I want them. You know, I look weird right now with the freaking. Tell why is it so different.
All right, so the free trading course is great, and I recommend any future students to do it before you enter into the class. That way, you're going to grasp a lot of the things a lot quicker. But with you reinforcing the things and being able to answer the questions on the spot, it kind of locks in a lot of things. So it's you can't compare the two. You know,
I appreciate that.
I was really struggling. Like, why should I do this course, man? I could just buy some more Shiba. Or just do or do the free trading course. And I said, no, let me just do it, man. I'm like, just to be able to talk to you and be able to get the knowledge, it was worth it. You should have charged more, but it was worth it.
I know. I get people messaging me saying, "What are you doing? What, you know how much this is really worth?" I said, "Listen,
Yeah,
I am not, boys. This is being recorded. All right, I'm gonna have to watch some of my words." But there was an individual that I had a meeting with, and he said, "Listen, charge more and have it open to like 100 seats. I'm gonna market you. I'm gonna do the biggest thing." I said, "But but you have to understand." I told him. I said, "I've been teaching for 9 years. You're gonna dilute everything if you fill it up with too many people." And then you increase. Yes, I am not in a bum rush for my school. 2 years, I'm comfortable. Now that with the IG going, I'm not getting as much traffic because he slowed me down. So maybe if it's a little longer, no worries. I am in no rush. So my thing is, I'm cool with that price point, and at the same time, and I like that I keep it less than 20. I will never make it more, And this person wanted me to open it up to the world. I'm like, you have to understand how learning works. The more kids you have in a classroom, the harder it is to teach everyone. Because remember, I don't know what time you were leaving, Aubrey, but Saturday, the session ends at 12 at midnight. But I mean, sorry, no, it ends at 8. But I think I ended it at 1:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because I don't leave until the questions end.
yeah.
That's my job.
Professor doesn't leave until all questions are answered.
That's why you're gonna go. That's why whatever you're looking forward to in life, you're gonna get it because it's not about the money for you.
You bring more value.
We know you rich. We know you rich. We know you filthy rich. So
now, Professor,
I'm regular. I'm regular.
You bring you bring more value than the cost. So that's the most important thing, So it's always the cost of value. The value exceeds the cost. So
thank you. No, I love what you said, Fred, because that's what I believe in. It's that I don't, it's funny because I just saw before I went live that someone attacked me on Twitter about my course, how much I charge. I'm like, I'm about to come at him after this ends. I'll be like, it's free because I was defending Ty Lopez because I just discovered how good Ty Lopez is. His videos are so good on YouTube, and I've been watching them because I'm like, because people attack him, they're like, oh, why do you charge so much for your course? And I'm going, Ty Lopez gives so much free content away. His YouTube channel has so many videos, good value. So why do he charges for his course? That's another stream of income. He doesn't force you to buy his course or throw it down your neck for his mentoring program. You buy it, you buy it. That's the end of the story. So for me, it's
Gary V says all the times, you got to work for free. You got to work for free.
Oh, he says that?
If Gary V always pushes that working for free. He says, if you're good at something, go to Instagram, hit Puff Daddy or whoever it is that you wanna work for, and tell them you're gonna work for free.
Got you. Okay.
That will get you the door.
Well, for me, it was I just go live and teach. That's all. As long as, again, if you notice something, ever since the IG's been going, what have I still been doing? Just teaching. No more stories, no more quizzes. Not as many DMs to answer. No reels. But other than that, nothing has changed. Like I don't know what's happening lately. With people keep messaging me. I miss you on your shows. I miss your shows. I'm like, what are you talking about? My shows have never stopped.
Professor, you can post stories and stuff on YouTube too.
No, I know, but the reach is like nothing. I don't have reach at all on YouTube. Like my reach is like minuscule.
Yeah. Compared to your Instagram.
Compared to what I used to have, my reach is nothing. So that it doesn't really, like, for example, I posted that I was going to do this show tonight. Mr. Peters, again, I never asked him. He retweeted it and it got me thousands of views. Like the kindness of the influencers that I became friends with. Like I swear to God, God is so good. These people, 4 to 8, 1 million plus on TikTok. Mr. Peters, 100,000 on IG. I'm a little guy. I only have 15,000. They boost me up. Like the messages they send me, I'm like, oh, these are some good guys. Like, so God is good. God is good.
All right, so let's
get back to the show. Let's get back to the show. Okay, let's go.
Hold on. That's because you're not money hungry, and then you're so passionate at what you do. So people see that they can, they feel that. So they're like, if I can help, then let me help the cause. Because these people that's doing the same. If you think about it, everybody that's looking out for you, retweeting or whatever, doing it for you, they doing the exact same thing. Mr. Peters, he gives out knowledge for free.
Sure.
He yell at us, but he You know, he does it. He does it for free. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else, look at Manny does it. You know, they that's what they do. So you're only gonna attract, you know, the people that's just like you.
I appreciate that. Yeah, that's what Mr. Peters told me. When I invited him on my show, I said, yo, come to New York. I'm having an event. He goes, when? Tell me when. Let's make it happen. And he came. And my haters flooded him. He goes, yo, professor, you got some strong haters. He's like, these people said, don't see him. He's a scammer. He's fake. And he goes, where's the proof? What do you got? They couldn't say nothing. They're like, but just trust us. He goes, what's the proof? Show me where he's scamming. Like, if he's a scammer, I don't see it. He's not good at his job. And they got quiet. So for me, I'm like, wow. But you're right. He noticed that. That's what he said. He's like, yo, you give it all away. I said, yeah.
All right. Can we get back to trading, please?
Yes,
Please,
let's go.
please.
Let's go.
All right. So back to the line, the line at the bottom. So in this situation, that it's a downtrend, right? The reason why I would draw the support at the bottom, because if you're shorting, like let's say if this was a stock, and if you were shorting it, you could wait till it bounces off of the resistance and then short it to the downside.
Like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Boom. So what could also happen, Fred, because you asked why he did this. Again, I don't do it, but there's nothing, there's nothing wrong with doing this. It could also do this, and then bada boom.
Yeah.
No, I know why he did it. I just asked so the people that is watching knows.
Got you. Thank you for doing that, Fred. Thank you. All right, boys. Tell me what's next now.
Go ahead, Fred.
I can't, for some reason, this delay is
No, you watch it on Zoom, boys. Don't watch it on YouTube.
I'm looking at it on Zoom.
Yeah. YouTube has a 30-second delay. I tried to fix it, but it's not getting fixed. So do not watch this on YouTube. Watch it on Zoom, Fred.
You said what's next?
What do you
We
do next?
put the RSI and stuff up, right?
Very good. That's it. Now we look at the indicators. Here we go.
The RSI and MACD, we said.
There you go. You got your RSI. Let me write it for those that might not know what this is. You got RSI. You got MACD. Okay, boys. What do you tell me what's happening? Fred, I want to hear from you. What is happening in the RSI right now? What I'm not gonna say much. You tell me.
Oh, my Zoom is frozen.
I say it. Right now, the RSI is trending down. It's heading
trending down.
It's heading towards oversold zone. Well, it is oversold.
What do I call this?
That's a
Hold
level.
on. I got a quick question. How can I stop the screen from moving from everybody who's talking, and I could just leave it on you?
I can do that. Boys. Hold on. Boys, do me a favor. Both of you, shut off your video, please. I know exactly what you guys are saying. Shut off your video, boys.
Go ahead. That's why I couldn't see it.
I know what you're saying. I'll do that right now. Once you shut off your videos, watch what happens. Okay, boom. And now watch what I'm going to do. Boom. Good, boys?
Yeah, now I see. Yep.
Perfect. Okay.
Should I keep the video off?
Yep, keep your video off, boys. That way, the chart is the only thing we're focused on. Bring you guys on later.
All right.
All right, so what do I call this, Aubrey? This line right here.
That's a level of support.
I call it support. So what's going to happen soon?
It should bounce off support and head back towards 50, the average zone.
Good. Okay, ready. Now the MACD. What do you think, boys?
All right. Well, the MACD, it's also trending down, but it looks like the sellers are losing power. It's stepping down, and the sellers are losing their power.
Okay. All right. Good analysis. Are we ready?
Hey, Professor, I can't even see y'all. I only see the Arbery's screen.
Wait, no, you're only supposed to see my smartboard, Fred.
I don't see it.
That's weird. Hold on, let me go on YouTube. If I can see it on YouTube, then we should be able to.
Now I see you. Talk,
Hold
Arbery.
on. They're saying on YouTube they can't see the screen. What the freak? Can't see anything. Professor, we can't see. Okay, something's going on. Hold on, let me try. Hold on, guys. I got you. I don't know. Let me see what's going on. Okay, let's try to fix this. Hold on, guys. I see you. Can't see when they talk. Okay, guys. I got you. I'm gonna fix it right now. Hold on. I'm gonna fix it right now. Their
There you
videos
go.
are off. Yep, their videos are off. Only mine is on. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Boom. Okay, let me check now. Boys, talk for 2 seconds.
Somebody said pin your screen.
I'm
I
here.
did pin my screen.
No, Freddie,
Alright.
you got to pin your screen.
No,
How
I
would
gotta
you-
pin my screen.
No, Freddie, he was seeing me when I spoke. He got to go to view settings in the upper right corner. You click view and take it off a speaker and put it to gallery.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm doing it on the phone.
Okay, all right. Well, you got to, I don't know how it is on the phone. I'm on the
Oh, he's on the phone. That's why.
computer. Yeah, but it's a setting that switches to whoever's speaking. So that's why.
Guys on YouTube, give me a thumbs up if you can see me now.
Hey, yo, Fred, if you double tap on the professor, it should pin his just his page.
Double tap when he's talking.
Go to gallery view and then double tap on the professor's page, and then that should pin his page, and you should only be seeing him then.
Gallery view. Oh no, I'm on the phone.
Me too.
Okay.
And I'm only
so-
seeing the professor.
All right. So where do I go to the
If you go to gallery,
Part.
and then you double click on the professor, that should put a pin on his thing. You should only be watching him then after that.
Yeah, I don't see gallery. Where you see gallery at?
He's on the phone, so I don't even know that.
Slide over.
Oh,
Sorry, not gallery.
oh,
slide. Yeah,
Okay, I see.
swipe so you can see the professor, and then double click him, and that should pin his page.
I got you. Got it. Good looking.
All right, let me see. I just want to make sure the YouTube
All right.
audience can see.
They can't see the screen on YouTube. I don't think.
Yeah, I see that. I'm trying to figure that out, but I pinned it, and that's still not working. Antonio, if you're on, baby boy, can you jump on for 2 seconds, please, Antonio, if you're there?
Professor, I think whatever it is that you did before when you said, oh, I know what to do. I think that's what caused the outage on YouTube. The
What
issue that
freak?
Fred was having was on his end, not your end.
Got you. Okay.
So
What the
undo it.
freak? All right, let me try this. I'm going to remove my pin.
There you-
I'm going to unpin
There you
myself.
go. You got it.
No, but I keep seeing you, Fred, show up on the Zoom. You boys shouldn't show up. It should just be my chart so they can see the charts on YouTube. See, you guys keep showing up. Oh, technical difficulties. This didn't happen last time. What the freak?
See, we messing things up over here, Professor.
No, it's not you. It's on my side. I know it's on my side.
We
Again,
like the-
Antonio, if you're
we like
there,
the-
Antonio. Go ahead.
We mess everything up.
Stop it. It's not you. Stop. Let me pin myself again. The boys are video off. That's what I told. I remember I did this with Brody last time, and they just shut their videos off. That's it. That should have helped. All right, let's try it now. Okay.
It should be-
Nope. Again, every time you talk, Fred, you pop up and the chart goes away. Okay. There has to be a solution to this.
I guess we could just mute for now and then,
No, mute. I can't mute. You need to talk. It's about you. It's your guys' time. Okay, I got this. This is a solution. Boys, you can turn your videos back on. Okay, this is the only way this can work then. Turn your videos back on, please.
all right.
Come back to Fred.
I'm
Let's
here.
try this. This is the only way without the flickering, because I know it'll be annoying for everybody watching. All right, let's do that. Press back. Okay, cool. Yep. Let's see this. Let's see. Let it update. Let me try this technique. Let me see if this works. I got 1 dislike. Damn, that's messed up. All right, no worries. That sucks. Okay. All right, let's see.
Like dislikes.
No, it messes up the algorithm. That's the problem.
So everybody
All right.
smash the like button.
All right, that works now. See, okay, we can do it like this. All right, we'll have to keep it like this, boys. No worries. Okay, ready?
All right.
All right,
Yeah.
they're saying now it's okay. Olga says now it's okay. Let me just confirm. Guys, in the comment section, give me a thumbs up if we're good to go now. My bad for that, everyone. My bad. Give me a thumbs up if we're good to go. If we are good to go, give me a thumbs up. I'll zoom in a little bit to the chart.
Got to give him some slack. He's still new for using YouTube thing.
It's always something with these goddamn updates. YouTube is always making like a million updates. All right. Ready to go, boys? Let's do it. All right. So now are we ready to start?
Yeah.
The RSI is on a downtrend, and the MACD is as well.
Correct. So should I start now? Are we ready? Anything else?
Yeah, you can start. I mean, from what I'm seeing, it looks like it's going to continue to go down because it broke the level of support. The last candle it broke through the level of support.
All right, let's hit play. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. What are we waiting for to take our entry, boys?
Sidestep green candle.
Okay. Look, it hit the RSI at the bottom level of support. Here we go. You pause. One quickly before it happens.
Boom.
Oh, okay. Now you have to tell me, what are we waiting for in this event that just took place?
We need a confirmation candle.
Full candle.
We need another candle to do what?
On top.
On top. Very good. Boys,
On
can
top,
why don't you monitor the YouTube comments just for me? Because I can't look at them and do this at the same time. Because it'll cause a glare. So let me know if everything's okay on that side.
All right.
Thank you, boys. Sounds good. But just mute the audio on that side. Just the comments to see if everyone's comfortable. Here we go. I turned it back on. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Are we taking the entry here?
Definitely.
Okay, done.
Boom.
Breaking resistance. We got to wait for the next one to get full confirmation.
But we are already in the trade, correct?
We're still in the trade. Correct.
You said a stop loss.
Ooh.
Woo!
You seen that candle?
Yeah.
Well, you guys, I should have said that, but I know you boys already know. If your entry was this sidestep green above the trend, above the support, entry, side, step, green. Your stop loss is below here, your support line.
Yeah.
Boom. Boom. All right. So your entry, boys, write it down. Your entry on this crypto coin was 0.01593. We'll just leave it at that. There's more numbers, but we'll just leave it at that. 0.01593. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. As of now, because you didn't, and none of you told me that you're exiting, you are right now at 0.02068. I'll say it again. 0.02068.
Okay.
You're up some good amount depending on how much you were putting in. Are we taking profits or are we riding this uptrend?
You know, I love to take profits early. I would have cashed out.
All right, so you're cashing out?
Yeah, I would take half, 50% off.
Are you waiting for this event? What event takes place right here, Aubrey?
It has to bounce off the 70.
What do I call it?
That's resistance.
I call the line at 70. I call it resistance.
See, that's the thing that's the thing I gotta get. My tolerance is not there to, like watching you live trade, your tolerance for it to, to kind of, step back a little bit and go back up. I don't have that. As soon as I see it starts to get a little shaky, I gotta close it out.
But here's the thing, Aubrey. When we were live trading Tuesday, the last day of the seminar, right?
Yeah.
And we were trading that crazy Wall Street bets mover.
OCGN.
Oh, CGN.
Yeah,
Or
I
are
did
we
good.
having panic attacks?
I was not having panic attacks. That's because you were there. You know,
I got you.
you were so smooth. Like, yeah, you know. What happened to Fred? Oh, there he goes. Yeah.
No, I see him. Fred's there.
He ain't gonna be
Okay.
there. He's not gonna be there all the time.
No. But he teaches in the class. If you got that sensation, lower your share size. You know, just lower your share size, and now you know you can start with 1, 5, 10, and then you keep moving up until you get that comfortability. So that's what I've been doing.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. All right, good boys. Let's go back. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna hit play again. So you're taking profits. You're leaving 50% in. Is that what I'm?
Yeah, I would take 50% because it's getting real close to the RSI, and it doesn't necessarily have to hit off of the 70 RSI.
Correct. Correct. And Fred, are you diamond handing this right now?
It all depends how much money I got in it.
well, what make it realistic, baby boy?
But that's a good run up.
Okay. So
That's
you
a
cashed
good-
out too?
Probably no. I probably wait till I see like the RSI curve a little.
Okay.
I would
Again,
take
for those watching at home, you go from support to resistance, and then from support to resistance. You can go back in. You just increase your stop loss to this level. Boom. Boom. That's what you do. All right. So let's do it. So you guys have left 50% in. Confirmed?
All right, confirmed.
For those watching, this is again a crypto coin. We're on a 2-hour chart. For those of you saying, "Well, I'm not going to sit there and trade for 2 hours." Yes, that's why you set alerts on TradingView. You make trend lines. You gauge it every few hours. That's what you do. That's how it works.
Yeah,
You
because
can't sit there and
sometimes
trade it.
it doesn't move that fast.
Correct. That's why you have to set alerts. Alerts are your best friends on TradingView. All right, let's hit play. All right, let's see where this bad boy is going to go. Ooh.
See right there, I got out.
Yeah, but it is above support, baby boy. Remember that.
That red got me scared.
No, it's still
Don't be
above
scared.
Now it's
It's holding
consolidating.
on support. It's still okay. Let me pause. Look
It's
at
still on
this, boys.
support, so you're still in the money. You still
Look
in
at
the
this.
money.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Aubrey, you did a
Yeah.
very good job with support resistance, my brother. You did
Thank you.
very good job.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you, Professor.
You're welcome. I appreciate you. Of course. Wait, is something wrong with the YouTube comments? I don't see any comments. Am I still live? Guys, can you drop some comments so I know you're there? Like I don't see no comments. You guys have stopped completely after the thumbs up. Guys, give me something. Are you guys? Are we still there?
Yeah, I'm seeing thumbs up. They're giving thumbs
No,
up.
but those were from a while ago. I asked that question a long time ago. The thumbs up. You guys, just drop me one comment. Are you there? Am I still good in YouTube right now? Let me just. There's literally not a single comment. Usually people love commenting on my shows. That's like one of the things they like to do. They're here. But that's you, Aubrey.
That's worked. It worked.
Oh,
It
they're
was
there. Okay, they're there. All right,
They're
cool,
engaged.
cool,
They're
cool.
engaged. They're engaged.
Okay. Oh, they're engaged. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we're back. So, guys, as you can see, just to recap, because I'm like, what the hell? Where did everybody go? The boys entered here. Let me zoom in. Let me get rid of RSI for a second. The boys got in at this candle. Their stop loss, I'll do it again. Stop loss. Entry. Your exit should be here. But they
50%.
let 50% ride. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. So now, this becomes your new support. And now your stop loss.
Sebastian said we're stealing the show from you. So this is gonna be the Professor with Friends show.
Brad, I like that. That's funny. So, boys, agree or disagree? This is your new support, your new stop loss. Got it?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's go. But you got to have conviction. So let's look at our indicators because you guys are feeling a little panicky. Fred said, I get out when it starts doing this sideways motion. Fred, I'm assuming you cashed out your 50%. You're all out now, Fred.
Yeah, I would have got all out.
Okay, Aubrey, are you all out?
I probably would have gotten out as well.
Okay, I respect it. I respect
Once
it.
I seen that, once I seen the Doge, I would say, yeah, you know, something's going on.
Okay. Okay, I respect it. I respect it. Let's see what happens. Because I respect it. You guys had a very nice run up. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. As long as it holds, you can get back in on the next candle. Because I'm a support person. Ooh. Ooh.
We got out on
You would have got wrecked on that one candle.
So let's pause.
but it came back up.
This is a conversation. This is a conversation that needs to be had. This is a conversation.
That's to fake you out though, because it came back up. Support.
Of course. This is a conversation we have to have. Let's pull this up. Remember, we're on the 2-hour candle. Fred, remember that.
Oh yeah, okay.
We're on the 2-hour candle. So people, what you just saw, that red and this massive wick, that would have, again, we're on the 2-hour candle, so that has to be kept in mind. That would have wreaked havoc. But do you see how the boys stood disciplined? Trading is all about mindset and discipline and not being greedy. The boys said, I wrote it good enough, support to resistance. I got my profits. They did their 50% thing, but then they saw weakness. They saw weakness. They saw it consolidate. They saw the consolidation here. They saw it, and they're like, you know what? I'm out. Dude, that's what you have to do. You got to start taking profits. Stock traders, crypto traders, start taking profits. Boom.
And at that point, with the RSI being at 70, the probability of it going higher is a lot less. So you have a greater chance for it to pull back, you know, because you got to think about everybody else that wants to take profit as well. You're not the only one that wants to take profit.
Correct. Let's see what happens next. You guys did a good job. Let's just see what happens next. Yeah, when it starts consolidating, but it is holding. But you do get out when it consolidates. Now, here's the question.
That support is strong. That's a strong support.
Well, that tells you it's a strong level. So you got two options. For those people say, but Professor, I don't want to leave profits on the table. Okay. And for those that are still in it, at home, they're like, I wouldn't have gotten out. Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys that would have said I wouldn't have gotten out right now. My question to you is, just to let you know, when a stock starts just going like this, your risk has gone up as well. That's all it is. For those that want to make the profits, you can get back in. You can get back in here, or you can get in any of these candles. But you have to remember, if it breaks this level of support, you have to hit sell. You have to hit sell. That's all it is. You can get it in. But the boys have secured their profits. They don't want to give nothing back. We as traders got to stop giving our money back.
Yeah, because you really don't know.
Would it be a good idea to do a rinse and repeat?
Yes, but smaller position size because you don't want to give anything back right now.
Okay.
For example, I said this for the first time 2 lives ago. This bull run we're in right now with my Ethereum cryptocurrencies, if it goes in the 6,000s, I don't care if it goes to 7 afterwards. I am getting out in the 6. I'm pulling out all 6 figures out in the 6,000. If it doesn't stop, if this run from 4 now, 4,400 goes all the way to 6 and doesn't pull back, I don't care. Because you know what? I sat last couple of weeks, I sat down and analyzed Ethereum, analyzed what I'm playing with, and I said, hold up a sec. I knew it was going to hit this and come down because I said it on lives. It's all recorded. And if I would have taken it and got back in at the lower levels when it starts consolidating, I would have 6x my Ethereum. 6. I sat there and calculated all of it. And I'm like, what was I doing? I'm like, what was I was like, what are you doing? So now, starting now, I will say it publicly when I'm leaving. I'm out, guys. I'm going to get back in when it does this key levels because people, if you look at cryptocurrencies, the way it moves, the potential is massive, and you don't have to sit there all day. You just set alerts at key levels of support, key levels of trend. That's it. And then get back in. That's it. So I'm not doing I'm not doing holding anymore. I'm not a diamond hand guy anymore. I'm Ethereum all day, but I'm gonna now get out at high levels and then get out. Just like I did with my BTC to buy my motorcycle. My motorcycle was free. This thing paid for it. I didn't pay for it. So boom.
I did Bitcoin not too long ago. I told you I wrote you and I took profit and paid some debt.
Correct. I know you messaged me. I was very proud of you. And I told Aubrey that was during the seminar. You messaged me and I'm like, yes. And my other students too. They're like, Professor, we took some profits. I said, good. They took it on the second knock of Ethereum. Before the pullback to 33,900, they took some profits off at the 4,003, whatever it was. I'm like, good. If you have debts, bills to pay, take the profits and pay off some debt, guys. Do it. Do it. All right, boys. So, boom. So I'll give you the coin. I'll give you what coin this is right now because you guys made the profits. You made the right moves. There's no need to go any further and cause FOMO. The ticker is, here, let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. There it is. Can you guys see it at the top of the screen? No? I'll say it. It was SPELL, spell.
Spell, okay.
Spell. So this, I'm going to ask the audience. Boys, don't say nothing. I'm going to ask everybody watching at home. Everyone watching at home, let me minimize this because I can't see YouTube. Let me go back. Boom. Everyone watching at YouTube, is this a ticker that you can see that it's a good tradable coin? Tell me in the comment section. What do you think? I'm talking to those that have no time for the stock market because of their 9-to-5s, meetings, their family affairs, and can just set alerts and trade crypto. So boom. Okay, let me answer some questions as I wait for that. Sebastian, we were just feeling the love, Professor Aubrey and Fred stealing the show. I love it. Yes. Yes, I love it. That's arbitrage, right? What are you talking about arbitrage, John? Jonathan, I got you. Professor's the best. Thank you, Defactor. Majid's here. What's up, Majid? All is well, brother. Good to see you. Olga, there's a delay. Yeah, Olga, I know. I tried to fix it, but I can't fix the delay. I tried everything. Yep. Aubrey says it's tradable. Yep. Igura, what's up, baby boy? Hope all is well. California over there. Yes, it is. So you can trade these cheap crypto coins. My suggestion is do proper risk management. Start off with maybe $50, $100, $200. Don't go in like thousands of dollars. Start off small. Learn the what do you call that, bro? The freaking trading view. And if you don't know how to use it, again, free course right here. Go to my website. The link is down below. Go to my website. You click right here. Get access to my free trading course. Click. Again, it's all free. I'm going to show you which video to watch so you can master. So you can master trading view.
Professor, do you think it's best to trade these coins because it's so cheap? Then
if you have like, let's just say you have 10 to 20,000, once you become consistent and you know what you're doing. Like, for example, I'm going to use Aubrey as an example. Aubrey came to the seminar. He knows what he's doing. Let's say his life takes over. He has no time. He has no time whatsoever, but he sets alerts, exactly what we just did right now. And as he's running around doing what he's doing, he checks it here and there. Oh, it's still trending up. We're good. Oh, it just hit resistance. Let me take my profits. He sets the next alert. Okay, when it breaks this level of support or holds at that level of support, I'm going to get back in and consolidate. That's it. It's the peace of mind.
That's
For
what I
those
do in
people
TradingView.
that are too busy.
I use TradingView Mobile, and you can set the alert to TradingView Mobile. It'll pop up on your phone.
Boom. So for those of you watching here, my free course, go to beginner level, and it's TradingView settings setup. Learn TradingView, free video. You don't, it's again, the course is free. Nothing to pay here. Course is free. So boom, there you go. What else, boys? I love it. What else?
That was it. That was it. That was great.
That was it. Anything else for me?
Nope, that was pretty much it. I mean, unless the audience has a request.
Guys, if you have requests, let me know. But other than that, Thank you guys for watching at home. I appreciate all of you for watching. It means the world that you guys support and come every week on a Friday night and you spend it with me. So thank you so much for that. Boys, Fred and Aubrey, you guys killed it. Killed it. Today, after it feels good having you guys. It feels like the back in the days when I used to go on at 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Random people used to jump on, good times. Because by the way, those watching at home, this wasn't planned. I did not know they were going to jump on. I just throw it out there. That's why the link is pinned. So boom. Boom.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on coming. I didn't think I was gonna be at your show today. I was like, wow, I'm there.
I love it. Yeah, it's not rigged. For those that think this might be rigged, it ain't rigged.
It's definitely not rigged.
Let me answer some final questions and I'll let you boys go. Yep, it respects support resistance. Yep, it's a lot of green. Yep. What's up, Professor? One of your students, I think his name is Matthew, is helping me out with options. Yes, Matthew's awesome. I love it. The seminar students from the whole every month all come together and help each other with Zoom meetings. It's a beautiful thing. The book club, you guys have it's a very loving community. The best part is everybody that graduates from the seminar has my mindset. It's all me. You know, that's what it is. And we're on the same wavelength. So boom. Boom. Thank you, Aubrey.
Thank you.
Hey, we'll leave at the same time. Fred, any final words before I let you go, baby boy?
No, I just appreciate you. Everything you teach us.
Thank you.
I'll be in the class soon.
I got you, bro. Listen, don't pay full price, okay? Just DM me. I'll get you the discount. Don't pay full price.
All right. We love this.
All
I love it. All right, that's a wrap. Good night, everyone. I will see you
right,
on
guys.
Tuesday.
Take care. Good luck. Happy trading.
How we gotta link up so we could do some things. We gotta
Listen,
the coin.
I have monthly events. Actually, if my IG wasn't down right now, I was ready to have Mr. Peters, Ashton Nolan, Simon Lerner, Mr. 428. I was getting them all to come to New York in November. I don't know if you guys caught that live, but I was going to plan that. All of it was ready to go. They all said yes to me to come, and IG got taken away. Even though people like, well, wait, you got their contacts. Yes. But how am I supposed to get all my community together, my traders and their traders on my live shows all coming and then get it all amped up if I lost my influence? This is the problem, guys. So we will still do meetups. Like, for example, I already put it out there that all my seminar students, I am going, my seminar students are welcome for the December, the Christmas break. We have like 2 weeks off. We're going to Egypt, baby. We're going to Egypt. So you guys are all seminar students more than welcome. We're going to go to Egypt. It's got one of my traders is Egyptian. He's going to show us around. So why not? I don't mind Christmas in Egypt with the pyramids and the mummies. I'm down.
Yes,
how we gonna work on this coin?
We'll talk about it, baby. Listen, let's do how about this? Tell me, you tell me. How about next Tuesday's show is how to create your own crypto coin? What do you think? Right?
I don't care.
No.
Whenever you need me to come take over your show, I'll come take over.
No. But you're ready on next Tuesday? How about we go step by step how to create your own crypto coin?
That's dope. I think that's a great idea.
Done. That's the show next Tuesday. So guys, you heard it first before I even dropped the video. Next Tuesday's show is all I need is Mr. Peters, 428, Umar Ashram. One of them, I don't ask, they do it themselves. If they retweet it, we'll get the numbers will be back to the IG days. Literally, if those three retweet that, these numbers, my numbers might even exceed the IG numbers. But I respect them to do. If they do it, they do it. God is good. They do it on their own.
Yeah. No, they will. They would.
God is good. All right, boys. So that's the show next week. So both of you want to come on for that?
Yeah, I'll come on.
All right, done. Thank you, boys, so much. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Professor. Take care. Peace out. Happy trading.
You're welcome. Bye, boys.
All right, man.
See you. Again, that was Aubrey and Fred, the best. I swear to God, I got the greatest community that ever lived, hands down. Nobody got a community like me. I'm being honest. You guys go look at other people's community. I don't think they're as good as my community. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you in the comments. Professor, why not start a new one? Damn, I've said this so many times, guys. There's no point in creating another one because the person that took me out the first time can take me out again. He said it. He told me in August it cost him $600. He called me. He's like, I'm going to destroy you. I'm going to take all your IG down. It's only going to cost me $600. One of my friends works there. I said, cool. I'll go to YouTube. I don't have a problem. And that's when I created a Twitter. But there's no point of going back until they bring me back themselves. But don't worry. Like I said, in December 1st, I'm going to give out the emails of all the contacts I have at IG, all the contacts at Facebook. You guys bombard them with emails. Yo, bring our professor back. Boom, boom, boom. That will get their attention. So boom. That's what I'll ask you guys to do. But I don't want to be back right now. Honestly, I don't want to be back. I'm enjoying my free time without the chaos and all the scammers that pretend to be me that drain the life out of me. So I don't want to be back right now. All right, let me just finish answering questions. Professor, can you look at IEP levels to get in? Chris, ask me maybe next Friday because I want this live to end on this note. I don't want to keep it going. This was such a fun live. Thank you, Janet. I appreciate you. You were all lit. Yep, the factory they were. Another great live. Thank you, Chris. Baby boy and girl coin. Why not? Let's check that out. All right, that's a wrap. That's it. All right, I answered all the questions. Boom, boom, boom.